Ejan right back. Sasso and Apochi Abuachi Ejna number 4 position. Susanna Ama Dia Ejan number 5 position. And I face so Alex Kusi Ejan left back. Now Odani when you copy mu e won finfia femwa. Apaywa ye fena ye Josephine Bonsu. Wono Ejan finfia femwa. Sasso and Jennifer Kucho. Onsa candidates midfielder sensational. Enu Grace Asantua. And I feel so Ayimpina Zakaria. And I say Ayimpina Zakaria. When mo Maiwa mo jumping from the Black Queens of Ghana. Now Odani when you copy mo the upfronter. Onsa can Doris Buedua. Sasso and Chantel Boy. Paywa we born on him Papa Pamen coming out. Anyway, starting lineup came last. Oh yeah, the head coach of the Black Queens of Ghana and also the Rasa big game no more. Now Shannon says Okopimo and so Cameroon Afema. Woman coach I Valentin and Girls. And they also have time to Piazza the Black Queens of Ghana. 4-3-3 formation. And now Penny Kessiano answer to me Edirasa big game no more. Shannon said goalkeeper no Bahina. Sasso and Osaka Mayi Kate. Apaywa Yafano Indao. Sasso and Inzana. Osaka Bayo friend Yakana. When mo Mayo mo completed the back four so they ma Cameroon. Now what any when you copy mo e won finfian femu so a Apaywa Yafano Monique Ngok. Sasso and Apaywa Yafano Alta Toko. Wonsaka Bayo Yafano Ngok Mbelek. When mo so shenim so met me apra finfian what so they ma Cameroon. Now what any when you copy mo and so the upfronter Naomi Eto. We no Kamia says Samuel Eto ni abana say ne wo fancy bio. The son said Naomi Otto and I say Eto. Wa hwe number 10 chasing no and so the ama Cameroon. Sasso and Apaywa friend Grace Medo. Sasso and Maria Aga. We no Mariwa ne Duba Komo so aje penensia kan de ama omanya. Je friend Cameroon. Not for when him say China pram we don't fast trade pram traditional council. Idea fast trade culture and food festival and so it me toja. Ne ukopimo on the 14th to the 30th August. And Jumedino and so it me toja our pram pram Anglican Park wa and Jumedino and so it me toja now when him said the pram homo horse celebration and ne ube piemo and so craning in Potima homo hono and chebe miado dona idea no so it me toja until the 14th to the 30th of August and no pram fast trade culture and food festival. And if we be chemo and so our pram na yentumi yentin piane na yentan ye coach dina bi biase yentumi enya kama now on him say program outlines no bet me asha say on the 14th of August and no the grand opening and official launch on the 15th of August and also a music and cultural display. And I jump to phone and say to me, I bet you mobile numbers. Oma tonyum ama ayetime mufo any match and I say be say to me ayekama on the 16th of August and also a vocational training day 1. Genuine mon person musian san in Jumano ayakonya ba. Until on the 16th of August and I saw Jumidino and so it me toja. And I face on the 17th no vocational training day 2 no so to me atoja. And I face on the 18th of August and no arts and drawing competition and then you know barber drawn na face so or my painting na be say to me I come on the 19th of August the hot and good no and so to me I shall say we no Pasamo day Pasamo day no and so to me to draw on the 19th of August. So and on the 20th of August and so back to our root day games. Enti pram addition nyina mo wechichini benche no. On the 20th of August there adia omunia ekofie and so akopie mu na mfe so back to our root games no. And also to me ashare na bibia so to me kama. On the 21st of August and so rap and singing competition. Enti danu do na chihundi say rap no be the pump be to me ase hodia. Now on the 21st of August we to me akopie mu and so on the 22nd of August and a DJs on rotation and about DJs Zigibi DJ Afiba mo enti ene we DJ na chihundi pandia 22nd of August kopimo and so pram Santana unim say eating competition and so to me atodwa mesira unni medidie pandia akwenya no enso etumi aba pram fast food culture and food festival 22nd of August wana kwachira bobre unni medidie e ban say wo didi enso ahye Ghana ni monyama feko piemu enso pram we na free o enya fe na wo tiska koto aduane ya dia mpenifo de akwenya na aba say be di free. And after the 23rd of August, and a homecoming celebration, and also between me Atoja and so pram 24th to 30th, and all day, everyday market sales. Ninya fast food culture and food festival, no Atoja or pram Ninya and so the pram or more celebration. Enti fuwani kwechemu enso jumedi na asena bibia so entumi enye kama na no so entumi enye kama. Yes enti enche meba Ghana for na mabeji Ghana for so anu di semesa say the Black Queens of Ghana sana yema the Black Stars of Ghana ne ho abehia said the same thing and so edema the Black Queens of Ghana enti enche yadia me announce me telephone number ne offer password now the predictions no and so to me at the abana ya said the Black Queens of Ghana after taking the first victory over Maya your friend Keved no and yema enso be to me akoyeti mame announce me telephone number na ndey me to me enko Ghana for na me fa Ghana for no this I held the game at 5 p.m. and also be to me atojan to be to me afra ba say show no DJ Fiba Daromante live on Facebook no we be to me join show no live on Facebook na bibia so to me kama saso and on YouTube no and also live on YouTube okwa deal 106.9 FM no YouTube and to okwa now to me follow Jumedi no nanu and so to me come on to bet me aba now with the predictions no face sembiara who person will catch the Black Queens of Ghana no wait to me aka edi achoma 05340 50 199 05340 50 199 face 059340 6565 059340 6565 uborima you bet to me afa no the predictions no and so to me about Jumedi and so say game no exactly 5 p.m. and as a big game no and also to me to team I mean kwara me family first caller. Hello, good evening.
Hello, back Dennis.
Me bacha baby girl bena misakani.
Bacha Hildan.
Hildan pacha yinti.
Say good evening.
Good evening bibi aboko de.
Bacha I'm not now say.
Bibi adida na kwem kama.
Bacha Ghana beshe. Black Queens say wo jidie ma omu pa. Because omu ya ade pa.
Eche mema no won.
Yeah.
Sa omu ya de sin mema no.
Oh. Omu ya ade pa.
Mate nti wo sha 2 goals no na beshe. Ana woni mo mo. You been Chantel.
Chantel
won.
Bacha.
Mate ye na se why?
Yeah.
Enti and also Jane dia on also Erifu ho. Eba hello, good evening.
Good evening, bro.
Opening case ebe na misakani.
Bacha prime sakode.
Sakode be the pump be yenti o.
Because of it my community 11.
Me bacha yenti o.
Yo, I'm say a man be say. 2 goals. I'm the 2 goals no there. Empowerment. Kusita mombe yo match man.
Mate.
2-3.
Sa.
Yes.
Enti we don't coffee case man over 1.5 won.
Yes.
Mate. Yeah na see why.
Yo bye.
Yes, enti and also sa akode dia ene ono so edi free ho eba enti wobetumi aba na wodo predictions no enso etumi ede aba na ya je no so ede free wonti enche ade a game no 5 pm and aside game no enso betumi atodwa nti 0534050 199053450 199 afeso 059340 6565 059340 6565 oba no wetumi edo predictions no enso etumi abana bibia so etumi aye kama sense the Black Queens of Ghana ene omudina kona no ane womo ehwe nim so betumi ate Ghana nim hye no so say we no qualifying games to a World Cup 2027 and so Brazil nti my family. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Minia.
Open case na me sakani.
Me ba jo 499.
499 na pache you.
But marry need to go to nil. Because
for na pacho jina baby e ni ento nka ye why? Me ba che you.
What's the menka?
Mpacho me to nka odem.
Yeah, ni amisha ni say man bet marry need to go to nil. Because so share omo na say ye town achi na omo need na re de ma wo ma they will go places.
Mate for na
mini agina so me ne me boys bi buka mu ho me ko bi na manka bi de nti ma me ma pass
ni enti open case udi ni say hello senior man
yo wazu
udi ni say
because I think
me ba che enti Black Queens against Cameroon
mbani bi 2 goals to nil
mate why Mati, I'm say online mu breaking tea. Yes. Mati, yeah, that's why. Okay, yeah, fine, bro. Hello, good evening. Yes, come here. I say when to me engine so to be to me woman. Move to me after abana do predictions no and so it to me about medium so na kind idea game we no Ghana to me ekopim e semi-finals automatically Ghana ekopim or the FIFA Women's World Cup and so to me atodwa Enquires. So hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Opening case me pa cho di ndi sena kasa free.
Bago to kubi.
Odi ni eden?
Kubi.
Pa chenti o kasa free.
Kasa amanko.
Pa chenti o.
Mano beshe black star na ye wono black star me man o mo die kan mo die we na che e ba ni mo ke no me che trainer
pache o
mo beshe na de kan bi black star na kata no mo kata ncho mo na enyema yi na e ya na yakuma no e tedo pa ye train
pache o ya ti why
yo na mi tra why
yo yes enti eno and so every man from Baya one also Kase Ghana Black Queens and so bet me I share 3 goals to 0 until bet me aba and now also the predictions no and so to me aba Jumedian say baby okune do ne de and Ghana ye share him say ye be kwa kopie or the FIFA Women's World Cup Ghana ye ko bi ache na nyama so to me I come hello good evening.
Well, good evening.
Me ba cho penny kese be na me sakani.
Ba jo blessed.
Me ba jo jina ye na online mu break why.
Okay.
Me ba change you.
But ladies in the to why.
But I say, I walk a mushe to one.
I want you to go do any better santra.
But you, but why?
That's
it. And so there. And so Eddie free ho by it 0534050 199053450 199 so friend so I shall no after 059340 6565 059340 6565 now the predictions no and so it to me about send me kind idea games when one the Black Queens of Ghana to me every ni games we na qualify akopiem or the FIFA Women's World Cup and also it to me to draw Brazil so idea game no 5 p.m. and also to me I shall say hello good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Where Ken?
Kenneth Ampa.
Yes.
Kenneth, happy birthday, boy.
Yeah, mommy, yeah, that's it. Animal pie, bonnet. Bibi, I'm
and then we are man. Oh, Ebema Mutune, why?
Mpacho.
Now,
I'm going to go. No, I'm going to go.
Black Queens.
There be place Ben Eshego. I don't want the only mom.
I mean, Cynthia. And I could be so first. I drive by a group now. Where would you
want your Doris Bwedua and it was Chantel boy and it was Jennifer Kujo Grace Asantua. Obia Beshe Bia the open on.
Aye, Yanni 2-0.
Mati Yanasi.
Why?
Pacho you yati. Why? Yefahambra. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Opening case and Pacho, fetch him to Yasacha. We did this on free.
Feminine be because of free doing.
Mpachi until.
Man never said 2-0 Chantal Nebudua. 1 goal each.
Mpachi. Yati. Yes,
hello.
Yeah, opening case and I'm in Sakani.
I was actually from Miss Call because of free Dodoa.
Miss Call Dodoa. Yentil. Ghana nation and Cameroon nation.
The umpire say Ghana, man never said 2. Nanga decided cram day to morning was Sankibi Chimini FIFA Akasa. A drew wake up and I said, Memane qua, young fix a man cram fra, Ubi to say number 9. You changing an anki do bana shim, or ya the pa.
Number 9, then
Ghana Blaster number 9.
Blaster number 9, Ankasa on.
Nanki do bana shim.
Obana number 9, Grace Bwedua, and Doris Bwedua.
Oh, Minia. No,
Mati, why?
Someone busy. Mamiano.
Obetinenka, why?
Miss Ricono, Miniano.
Mati. And Chobetinenka, why? Okay, yeah, Fambra. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Big boss, Pacho did this Senaka free.
Being the Reverend Sergers, the Catholic United States of Ashama, New York.
Reverend Sergers, Onyamini Pa, Yentil.
Man, Besha 3 goes to near. Asantoa and Ashantel and Besha Guno. And if you are quite away, so actually, Mr. Sako, the honorable. And a 499. Now, me catch a lawyer fans of dear presenters in Bushaku, you know, I think Aduma next week Sunday, you'll meeting as here. I will come to 11. You'll be a moment in Omra.
Mati, Reverend. Omeba, why? Yes, and the Reverend Sergius, yeah. And also Eddie Free, Pram, and I said Tema, Eddie By. Yeah, Farmer, hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Big boss, we didn't say Naga free.
We didn't make a second crack.
Kofredi Ankra, Kai Wong.
Patai.
Me Bacho Yentil.
Pato, and then Black Queens, per se, on bomb, woman in Pound. Now, in Pabona, tie Black Star City. Once and wedding tie Black Queens 40. Now, go number 2.
Mati. Yes, eti ano edi ano so fin krakan and so ebe piemu e the coast studios of a deal 106.10 opening guys we didn't send aka free
Mediane Kojopoku Mikasa free atosu kuma si Asante region
Kojopoku mahala yentiu
yes Uba Masi atosu ni mpete media edi demo Facebook DLFM 106.9 demo Ukonka so to for omoye Ghana made in a muti ejuma de no cry. Nti Kojopoku maba kuma se de hye na so ucha came a man born omo bona and man be se 2-0 a man bona was so pa ti no media me crowd and come me sisusa sen komo kobo Obia komunyi blaster for Sinchena Comunana and Blasa and man good because a man money was so a chair and Penifon must problem. And Papa and Maba and a cheap Bakumasa baby I'm a BME team and I made a show of one of Mr. Show live Facebook.
Okay, and
Michelle.
Yeah,
and a good and would make your comment in so but
Kojopoku Yanasi, so do the Edifi a Santiman team. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Pastor, good evening.
Maybe Chodi is Senaka Safri.
I say, friend, Destiny.
Destiny Yentio.
Okay, and then Ghana Beshe 3 goals. I'm more than a Tomoti.
Mati, why? Yes, enti eno destiny dia ono nso etumi edeba enti Sammy de yemfa course ni si na me nkoma mbisi ho na me nkoma na kwaba esan se nche game no eno nso betumi atodwa enso ho me se coach Kim Last neni abre se kro de esan se ne Ghana hwɛ ni se betumi akopie mu enso the FIFA Women's World Cup Brazil 2027 eno nso betumi atodwa na bibia so etumi ayekamati ma mi se me mo akwaba
Ken Mejoso.
Bibia boko de.
Yesu adum bia boko so so ho.
Bibia de na kwam. Yenda Ghana fast. O se ndra no. Ghana for echo do esanse birthday no. Omuma no kama na yenchi obi bia de ne mpa bo ne bibia de ta birthday na chibia no. Yenchi omo. Ana yenfesu yenchi awoni mia. Yenchi awoni mia.
Yante so muti.
Yes, mo woni mia ene mabi maiwa na ego nyina yenchi omuti woni mia
delivery lady now no one for bike come for car
sa no when one say aya na bike for no omutimi ni kwaje nya baby ko hwehwe one or two amanejo
just bike na money stew abekwa na jollof amakafra
abaku bia mehwe ono wa brechom to odu baby no na mu say oyi eyi ni so ya ni sa ba we na ntisa
won mi ode ntisa aduani bia so apabia banku koko ntetu za afimu tu je say nti ye wi ase ye betimi afa
ye be hwere ni afa wona
nti won mi ani ma bi ye be fa ye be tie mo nwumre
yes won mi ye chano any baby girls na woni nyina mami say Black Queens of Ghana our first game against Cape Verde na yerimse omo under but ne oba women's footballer yentumi enkane yi Cameroon and so FM from and surprisingly Malawi for no police surprises and so the women AFCON to anti came last and then my one I'm going into this game then expectation crowd to say
well came na na bi me yenchi Ghana for titiri no mom de kasa fide na 2D 106.9 say Pimpino Robert Kai say yetenasi bi Ghana for din komo say ekoba ne say the Black Queens of Ghana now say any team aside Black Stars as a fans and as a supporter team amufu and as a Ghana for 24 team ahodo na enkonkan but DLFM ya fatu ya say Black Queens jumadi omudi no omo games ahodo on bebo tournament we are seeing the live commentary beba so and then so we are doing as we promised. Can't get to see a program said any your managing director Miss Maybe Ken Ghana winning your first game against Cabo Verde and we shouldn't take anything away from the Black Queens team. Aside say Cabo Verde debutant first time appear at the cancer women's African Cup of Nations. Now me expect say Black Queens beat me more goals. It's an send now work as in Malawi police surprise. Malawi H on be to Nigeria shown by 3-2. Nigeria defending champions. Obia last edition of Women's African Cup of Nations. How many Morocco na come final? First time now Morocco shown 2-0.
Yes.
And with spirit of resilience and never give us spirit. Nigeria betite can share 3-2. So clearly going to that particular game now Obia tipping Nigeria so betimi a Malawi. But Ankobanisa likewise sounds one betimi abase yene Cabo Verde yetimi nya 2 goals win and so on. And uko piemo Ghana a group D nima. Cameroon so timi enya the first win against my friends Mali. So clearly everything shows two big teams and as a big fish in the group D, which is Ghana and Cameroon, and then you move here. So the American is a very big game there, but I believe in opening friends came last and the Ocean Taxis or the room 4-4-2. The previous game against Cabo Verde, Ababa your friends Bone Switch, Josephine, and it's me any man of the match, and then so was starting and with the likes of Ababa friends, Chantal Boyamuji and Film I strongly believe that Black Queens of Ghana can do something for themselves. So again, who was a game na just one is me run very late. Me could do make a crebintino. I tip Black Queens of Ghana to win first half 1-0 and second half yaba na fi yahwe the game no super Ken.
Right here mo bibia kwaba Enferma DL 106.9 FM and Cherry Adia referee Wasena Pemo and Soma Fedicano and so to me as Shaso Kamashan so say the Black Queens of Ghana a body of women son Nimfaso a coming Sabenkum so and Afeso Cameroon almost a body of free I am in Sabon Kumaba in San Faso as usual Ghana Wamo JC Amo Eshano Jello Sena Memano at the Core World Cup and Nuana and need the Black Queens of Ghana. Woman so to be Eddie Rasa big gamer. and also etumi eto dwa wodan wani kopie mu enso Cameroon afema womo anfoma na sro no aye kokko fom no aye ahaban aye bibia so etumi edana kwam kama mo hose enso aye green into red green and no the outfit of the Cameroonians female national team Bono and say Abayo friend Chantal boy betimi akwana na say man kwa welcome throwing yan to Fentia Cameroon welcome throwing tempo so me usa Abayo Jefeno Alex Kusin tempo so Shabran Abayo Jefeno Chantal boy and so etimi afama Cameroon womo etimi aklam lines Bono and say fifia femo Ghana Abayo Jefeno Alex Kusi yesuna boma referee osie throwing yan to Fentia Cameroon sima bako eko sima mienu temanisa Ghana and Shebi Saswana Cameroon and said to me and Shebi sharing society 2026 CAF Women's AFCON and no ana to me to John Fifian from Cameroon Apaya Yefeno Grace Meadow went to me encore Emma Grace Asantua will lose possession of Cameroon a challenge from Cameroon and so captain on the side of it to me Kwana Bono and say Bono Ewa Ghana Shenison as a Ghana one more acclaim lines Bono ye throwing in to Fintia the Black Queens of Ghana a throwing in to Fintia the Black Queens of Ghana DL106.9 FM me won say coach Kim Las Neni Abrese Crodom coach Kim Las ne wa wi atam so biase ne for a very long time when the Black Queens of Ghana and so betimi aboremo at the FIFA Women's World Cup Bono a welcome goal kick Yambon Fentia Cameroon a welcome goal kick Jamon Fentia Cameroon when we say goalkeeper Cynthia Colan Weapon Tempas of Shabayo IFN Alex Kusi for Ghana Sporting JC number 2 and Subona Timia Kwama Cameroon Bona Pre Ghana Shen so Obetimia Kwana Bono and say my message no Emra say WhatsApp at 0593406565 0593406565 and no WhatsApp message Facebook DL106.9 FM Facebook or the Fawa Jebeje American Kana be Biase to me I come on South on YouTube and no and so DL106.9 FM for message FRB Bia congratulations message and I say your predictions and episode to me at the Fawa ni over to me at the DL106.9 FM Bono and say Ghana Shen so I'm also Barrier FM Porsche Peja Bono and support about it to me Akoma Bono et me Atrashe welcome throwing Gentle Fintia the Black Queens of Ghana Sima Miensan Eko Sima and I am Temanisan Ghana and Shebi Sasso and Cameroon and sent to me and Shebi Bono and Tempaso Cynthia Colan goalkeeper the side Obesobodum Tempaso the other Black Queens of Ghana with Jemu Ediamane captain Porsche Porsche Obetimi Akwana Sporting JC number 17 with Jemu Diama Alex Kusi na de boni pa Benedict Simon with Jemu Finfian Fima Wadi and Tendency Man Kwampara Sporting JC number 20 for the Black Queens of Ghana Bona Trashe Yampon Fentia Cameroon throwing in another foul Jemu Fentia Cameroon me won say captain on the side Abayo IFN Porsche Boachin Tempaso Asimunko Munko Peja Bono Shabayo IFN Grace Bodwa Chantal boy betimi Akwana Nancy Bono say Chantal we winning possession am the Black Queens of Ghana one there Dennis referee watch it for Yampon Fentia the Black Queens of Ghana for Yampon Fentia the Black Queens of Ghana Abayo IFN Torres Bodwa Wono ane kosuma bayo yefen hakana ede sumo referee wachifa yempo fentia the Black Queens of Ghana ha DL 106.9 FM DL 106.9 FM Bono and say Fifian Femo Abayo FN to Lucy possession the man captain Bono and say in Tempaso Cameroon and Subolobon to me Akoma Ghana Omasan Kenny possession back to Air Cameroon Fifian Femo Omo Edan Tamo betimi Akwana Cameroon they are still controlling the game and Subolobon to me Akoma Jesumna Boma referee watch it for Yambo Fentia the Black Queens of Ghana Alex and I say Alex Kusi Wono ene ko win anase kolusi fa de the Black Queens bono ense fifia femo Cameroon for no na de bone bobet mi akwana okuni mu ayedin enso de ma both teams Esanu say Ghana ewo 3 points Cameroon enso 3 points ene ye petima wono so betumi akotop here group D bono ense enso goalkeeper Bahina Tempass will appear by clear lines throwing Gentle Fintia the La Lions of a double Lions. We know a lay Lioness. Let's just say the double Lioness of a year Cameroon. Tiokunimu de Maya throwing in Fintia Maya. Jeffrey Ghana. A throwing in Tempass Fintia Ghana. Mensa Bayo Sporting Chelsea number 11 Maria Inga betumi akwana neso Ghana Club Lions Bono and say Abayo Benedict Simon as well Lucy possession Bono and say Cameroon they are really controlling the pace of the game Bono and say Cameroon Abayo FNA2 with Jim Tempasso on Bono be chance for Cameroon and so Ghana Club Lions wabo short as welcome goal kick a welcome goal kick Yamon Fentia Cameroon Valentine Nkele Neni Abresa Kroda Memen Kamenadao Valentine Neni Abresa Kroda Nkwan Biaso Wabia Tamso say Ghana ne Cameroonians follow ebe to me edit the Black Queens of Ghana Wamo Echi answer to me Akafo Men Kamenada that was a nice shot and so Bono and Trashe welcome cooking the pass of Fifian from Chantel Boy. Yesuna more referee play must continue. Grace Boydouan and so Bono and Trashe Yam Bonfentia. Then double liners of Cameroon. A throwing in to Tempasso of IFN Benedict Simon. Or Pedabon and Tempasso 3 Koyam say Panya and Fifian from Cameroon. One more Acclam lines and support about to me Akoma Ghana. Grace Asantu and 1 day Yesuna Boma referee. Wachi foul yam Bonfentia Maya Jeffreno aye Cameroon foul yam Bonfentia Cameroon aha aye DL106.9 FM DL106.9 FM DL106.9 FM captain on the side Portia Boachi Edina Bonechi and Sodema Ghana message in the banner Bamen coming out of forward the DL Facebook 106.9 FM Facebook South now YouTube and so DL106.9 FM YouTube free kick Yamon Fentia Cameroon captain on the side Portia Boachi Edina Bonechi Edema Ghana Bako Mienumia Sosimun Komunko Pedabara System 3 ko chance neso Bono Atrashe welcome goal kick a welcome goal kick Yamon Fentia the Black Queens of Ghana Ordinary Michael Diabose Ghana 3 Cameroon 2 my name is Mr. Ordinary from Teacher Mante and no a message I'm inside answer to me I can't I'm a Quenya number for message no Ebra DL 106.9 FM say WhatsApp so a 0593406565 a 0593406565 and no a WhatsApp message Eti February can be biasa to me and come on you see a kind Simon Kuno Elkos Madun Timanisa Ghana and Shebi Sasana then double liners of Cameroon Womoso and to me and Shebi I am 499 yes 499 and I'm with you guys live at Tema West Community 22 and no answer what message I'm inside account WhatsApp and TNA for message no Ebra ni can come Ghana and Shana say Cameroon and what the buy Benjamin can be biasa to me I come on Bono and say Cameroon for the bonny pa Bono and say obey to me Aquana and so Ghana captain wa clean lines and some 10% 50 more great boy do one day and tendency amana kwai Bono and say pinche Cameroon don't say captain on the side about you are your friend Monique and Gok Wono and anybody Baba Monique but Pedabona system on so Ghana about you are your friend Susanna Amadia wa clear lines in 10% and so Bono and say then so about you are your friend Chantel Bobet Miakwana Josephine Bonsu on important boy Papa Men coming out Opeja one tempo so Shabayo Yefeno. Ayenkpini ne so betimi akwana Zakaria. Odi bona Sanechi Eriama Brantiana Sabayo. Jefeno Posha Boache na debone Pales Kusi Echemo and so the man Benedict Simon Bono Atrashe throwing. Throwing in 20 Amaya Yefeno Cameroon. Sima Edu Eko Sima Tuba Kuntemanisa. Bien what the ball to the Yankwate Mambise.
Ken, we are witnessing good football. And we show two sides now, clearly. Obia and so Bono at the end. Don't forget Ghana, you set up and we have Baba friends as a career free. Munina and Sosiaka Wamanane. Likewise, that of Cameroon national team. So, on the field of play, we are witnessing decent football. Munina tactically, they are all being disciplined. I think for the first and as 12 minutes a year approaching first half. As Obia is settled there. But Ghana made Magazine and said almost as it stands, no team is here to register a shot on target or even a shot. So Kelele Obia is tactically disciplined. But Yamo Baba friends Porsche Boachiabaso at age 37 years. And baby Crampo bet Magazine Cabano Yakona Humi Jimanza. But don't forget say Memman World Cup no Messi. Edifine say age is just a number. Likewise, Nkwadano Musunya Kunya Kusiaka no hear Lami Yamata at his age 19. Non-shooting reduce our world stage and also give you that world-class performance against my friends Argentina and I'm so Spain G World Cup now. You have me at say age is just a number and the Baba friends Porsche Boachema Abaso say at age 37 who said to me captain team no leading lines and they back first game and Cabo Verde born in your sister the man Baba friends Doris Godua. So Yamon Abaso at a age make me say bia I mean in the private life there but one Ukraine 2-3 what I say you crew more there what I say so Yamon about say what me concode and Magana so I'm saying I'm kind first time me expect say black queen beat me and one go game no more thing we share two sides will be ajibu be at me BB there and as a stand there will be answer that any clear cut opportunity there so Ken we are witnessing good football.
We are indeed witnessing a very fantastic football from both teams. Bono throwing in 220 at the Black Queens of Ghana and Tempaso. Cameroon from between Aquana Bon and Sefi from Ghana sharing so and so Ghana. One more Clam Alliance in Tempaso. The few Bono say Cameroon a chance comes in and so Bono Atrashe welcome cookie. A welcome cookie Nesmo said Cameroonians. One more air complaining said Bono airboard the Black Queens of Ghana by Rabba Consantene. And Shana checking over to me to Janisa. Look at that, Neso referee. And no and I can course as the game must continue. Say Bunny said Diana checking over to me to Janisa. Look at that foul on a Baja Yefeno Benedict Simon. Maybe say can this result into a possible penalty?
Clearly born and so if we have been fair, unze human and professionalism sake. And yes, be interesting in it here. Born in the clearly born, but as you say, referee be foul and as a penalty no. Because say cannot create a penalty. Because I'm rather say born a banana on side now natural position of which we play now waiting yard who defend or final tether. Every time you as a defender they saw don't send goon and also watch it. But look at that crucial game. Ababa need 8 minutes stretching and and done. So say ne Ivan no timi call referee center referee no be timi checking on the penalty. A clear decision and penalty take it. But if say no so timi ankwama Cameroon, I think say referee now can cause. But for me, the little I know about the rules in the game there. Say born banana say we play now in now natural position. Clearly the Ababa na in natural position. So if say referee call for penalty the Cameroon, I mean can say onye wrong. So yamo mabaso and Ken one thing I say yes started tournament you know titu ne yama me foni nua no ma mo tai freba dwumadi say e ma game ni yen sheda hweni come here say nya Ghana anko because share stands ni ma it's almost empty. What you say it's almost empty and don't forget say I can say I'm senior women's tournament on the continent of feature and Kenya we jide senka stadium betting and I'm checking so say Koban so the penalty a penalty because then standing down the natural position it will only take God's intervention and I say be a Ghana and the officials na or man penalty but if they should be real and I say they should be truthful in this particular incident a penalty Jamaica ultimate.
Yes,
penalty.
Yes. VAR check it a possible penalty. Tiabani Saudi and Ghana be consider penalty and I think say Africa so one of the continent in terms of VAR no using it there. Your referees very good.
Guys say man AFCON Morino de editwa Europeans nempoa.
Yes.
Say omonkohwe how Africa ye di officials officiate.
Yes.
AFCON because say penalty omoji penalty.
Yes.
Say enye.
Nti
no yema maba so Africa officials nesuan de. Na make attendance in women's AFCON. Unim say baby a man most of the games Emule Rashid Stadium, Casablanca.
Yes.
And a stadium taking 5,000 capacity.
Just 5,000.
5,000.
Yes.
So you should ref in the final decision. And it's penalty.
Penalty. And for Ghana, I consider a penalty.
A penalty. The referee and the VAR officials they spot on. They've had the final decision right. Because born there, Imran say your hand's supposed to be in your natural position and look at it clearly. When you in natural position, we a defender. Either someone said that we're cheap, and someone said that already. And now say non-natural position, it should hit any part of your body before I born, sir. And can we emphasize a born straight and be born and say penalty? A bonitina be born and say penalty. Any part of her body aside and sana say born first next to born and say penalty. But we know born a banner when I know didn't say near the airboy, so a penalty. So let's see say above a friends a corner, no bet me. Abuana is a wetimi a severe situation in Ghana.
And a penalty for that in double line of Cameroon. Yes, I can Sima Edu and Son Temanisa. 17 minutes played so far, Ghana. They've considered a penalty and a Meunza Baywa Yefreno. Naomi Anansa Baywa Yefreno Maria Eka. Wano Ejna Bonechi and Sadema Cameroon. Can Cynthia Colon save this situation for the Black Queens of Ghana? Cynthia Colon versus Abaywa Yefreno Maria Nga. Na Oshe Abaywa ne Dimina ne Dia boy die. Me say pinche bi Kwasama referee. Odina Kokosa de area chair captain on the side Portia Boache san say misunderstanding and say Abaywa Jeffreno Grace Asantua and the referee of the side. Womo Gusuamo Yanaba Anissa. Mami say,
I think there a high time there opening events that came last and then Maban and Bekasa. We are just about 15 minutes inside first half. And they couple of games one side to me take lead. Now that side now then I coming from behind that be winning game no. So I combine because of penalty incidents, indisciplined behavior on the field of play now. Mubet me IG Lucas. I be quite against team Nangasa. So I say opening and girls in the Casana. I'm also a discipline Ken.
A penalty goal. Abaywa Yefreno Maria Nga. Watch the first goal and so they are more than double and Sophia Cameroon. After 18 minutes played so far, the Black Queens of Ghana 0, Cameroon 1. The Black Queens of Ghana 0, Cameroon 1. And no scoreline. And also Toja our Prince Mole Stadium El Morocco. Look at the execution of the penalty. Goalkeeper Cynthia Colan went to me Anya Shemin coming down. Now Okopiemo our YouTuber way Ediabosi. I'm scared for Ghana because they are playing only defense. Kim Lasma teach them how to score goals. And no message at YouTube. Sechi Angel Media. And also Etumi Edibai. I say Kim Las is not playing anything good. He keeps defending deep and very soon he will start to concede and that will break down the team spirit. And no one name you may. And also Etumi ACS and Zene. The Black Queens of Ghana, they are down by long, go to 0. They are down by long, go to 0. Tempaso, Abaywa, your friend Grace Boedua, Betmia Kwana, Bonabachi, Yama Baywa, Jeffreno Chantel, Betmia Kwana, Bono Atrashe throwing. Throwing here to Fentia, the Black Queens of Ghana. You see, I can't see my Ediono 20-minute play so far, so good. The Black Queens of Ghana, they are down by long, go to 0. Bono SA, Ghana betumi akwana chance. A chance for the Black Queens of Ghana betumi akwana Chantel. We jemu tempo so shabaywa. Next with me ankoma bona trashe welcome goal kick. A welcome goal kick. Your body at the Black Queens of Ghana. Ha ADL 106.9 FM. Ha ADL 106.9 FM. Kamia say attendance no ever forming coming down. A stadium of 5,000 capacity. And Nipa Doma Abwe Primo and so Prince Mole Stadium. Say me how many amen coming down. I'm Shakrana 2,000 and do. And Morocco fondo do na chapo Eco Spain. Mami say
Ken. Me be some say after say about World Cup New Year no Ghana supporters union for no majuma ma wiana. Because na yanko World Cup no
the piano moko.
Oba say I think under 17 or
under 17 Togo. That time no Ghana under 1 okra bokra no.
Oba guys omo fa car bus. Am I ko say si kwanso ma won say me bebre. So we are asking ourselves after World Cup with USA Canada no.
Say bebre renye bia nko ti obatiada. Ejuma na dio. Na baka say Legonsi otopa no mujire.
I don't know.
Nanya bo that athletic.
24th African Championship, Athletics Championship. Enya bo. Be no mujire. Obia pepe bia fa no mujire mtenten.
Dreams ni ya shegu nti eja momo.
Enti me question ni say World Cup ntina no mo yesa. Empany form abontin
yema yenhwe na no mo ye o
empany form abontin no meka nche say bia World Cup ntina no mo bia visa ade afine but I don't know ehye empany form so no mo say bi nsusu a omo so ahobɔ
omo so ebia ye ne omo ndi ni ye a ebia no so betumi aba ne sa o say ye ne omo ndi ni ye
adwuma na ahofo madwuma obi antu omo ka
ebia na bɔ hye bi omo say ebia ye mo ko US ana Canada.
Okay, I know.
But a man is idea and no matter because Morocco there. I think say can man between his car at least or they supporters in Kakrabe ko Morocco. And
Ken the American is same poor ban say yam supporters e krumwa enfan kwa say na World Cup near ka say aban gas won yes can fa and transport ni pa enfie anko no. Omo to ticket ma omo wa ho dada no
Morocco.
And ka omo Morocco communities no ye betimi mobilize ni pa be 100 bi ni omo Ghana jersey. We nya dwuma bia Sunday dodo na ofie yama mo Ghana jersey na
ye wo commissioner e wo ye Morocco Ghana embassy e wo Morocco
ya ga say ticket no ho justice wo okwa akwaji bi she due ticket ne ko support girls no because playing football without fans na am be hard you COVID-19 ma be kai say Europeans no mo bobo no mo de I'm bored captain no mo de ECC star is seat ne so
as a supporters
yes no mo biam ma tun say na be players ni two mo no be feel say any pressure mo but my idea, quarter and 2 year, and repair this sound.
A corner kick here, Monfentian Cameroon. Meunsa Baywa, your friend on Chantal boy. Udina Bonnet, and so the Black Queens of Ghana. Baby Okuna and Nunia, Ghana Black Queens. One more area, Tom Sosa, idea, met me on Tiamoka Bono, your corner Tempaso. A Baywa Chantal boy with me a pedabon this manner. A corner kick, Bakumi, and Mesa pedabon, chance comes in as the Cameroonians. One more Etumian Clam lines bottom and say back to Ghana. Next ball boy Chantel, a boy and Etumian Koma. And then Fifian Femo Cameroon by Refaneto with Jim Tempaso Maria and go the goal scorer. Obetumian Kwana Diama Cameroon. A chance comes in for Cameroon Maria. Watching the Marcan so Lucy possession. We Lucy possession Yama by Refano. Grace Asanto and Fifian Femo Grace. Water pass with Jim Tempaso Apina and so. Well, Lucy possession at the Cameroonians. A chance comes in. Obetimia Kwana watching the Makaba, Kumian, watching the Macan so. Abayo, your friend of Benedict. One man of Emma Bonatrasha, welcome cookie. A welcome cookie, Yamon Fentia, then double town lioness of Air Cameroon. Then double table lioness of Air Cameroon. Ghana is going to win by 2 goals. I am 4-9. Ghana will still win. And no air messenger. And also everywhere ever. And Tibia Woti and Kafibiano at DL106.9 FM. At DL106.9 FM. Shannon Susene. Cooling break. A cooling break as I say. Camera said the weather condition and answer Morocco. And also favor Antianedia. Camera said cooling break. It has surely come to stay in football. And after 25 minutes of soccer fiesta, the Prince Mole Stadium, It's cooling break. It's on the same my one. Memampo ena wamo echi amuahome ana sebe yenya no my antene FIFA referee wasena pemo ema cooling break no, and so to me atoja. So after 25 minutes of soccer fiesta, the Lions of Cameroon 1, the Black Queens of Ghana 0. Cooling break. My man Jim can come message no na yente no so enfo na bibia so to me enya come away e dey bossy. Good evening, DL Power Sports. I am listening to you live from United States of Ashama, New York. Greetings to all your crew members. You are doing great work. Up, keep it up. You know, Chantel. I say Chantel will be the best player of the day. My name is Reverend Sergius. I know message Reverend. And so to me, free all the way Ashama, New York. And so to me, about now we so the message no. And so to me, by my mission, I can campaign for. Nanyama and so to me and come away or the bossy. We wish the Black Queens well and no contact GH messenger and near also to me at the by way at the bossy. My name is Richard AJ. I'm Richard AJ from Ghana, Adjeso Ashanti region. The Black Queens of Ghana will win by 2-1. And no messenger Richard AJ all the way from Adjeso. And so to me, Eddie Abana Bibiaso, to me, I command Michael Sell coach and one also to me, Abu Rema Bibiaso, to me, I come a champion producer. They were really chasing, come on, pan, or the moral support, no. And so to me, Eddie Man, my right and say, nay, showing himself for almost a couple of years, sir. The Black Queens of Ghana, yet to me, and Moremo, and so the FIFA Women's World Cup, and I say, nay, coach came last. And then the man with me, I want and cooling break is over. Mommy say, what expectation cry to say, the cooling break and also told them.
Came for now, the made me, I say, my prediction, I'm here if I'm proud to first half, you know. As it stands, 25 minutes inside first hour, and yet, go and say, it sounds make us Black Queens ever back, but and they are called someone going and so to me, come on, my friends come on. So clearly, my prediction, they are Jagu, but see, and they are showing me
what a save! What a save from goalkeeper Bahina. Abayo Grace Bouedua.
Doris
Bouedua. Look at that strike from Doris. Look at that. It was a direct shot.
She could have done better because over against maybe this Cameroon. Don't forget, Mabano so more than likewise Ghana team. No. And when there's an opportunity, when not me, Boma goalkeeper is a situation. I think that next time on to me and more than this because some of in difficult matches or games like this, opportunities and other chances be saying to me Madibiasa. So come here and say Doris Bouedua is number one striker and Pempino to me to try to but to say chance be say the another Moya I'll let team down. So going for no nya Bibiasa Biba on to me and on to me unconvertible.
It was a beautiful strike from Ayabayo, your friend on Doris Bouedua and so. And they went to me from Bonan to Timon from the Black Queens of Ghana. Okunimo IIT and so the Black Queens of Ghana. Message in the banner ebo. Message in the a banner ebo. And say, we are the boss Charles Akuso. Akuso. And also adding the message about see. Let's go for attacking football. And no a message at Charles. And also the about our YouTube. Bono and say, in Tempaso, Black Queens, Obetimi Akwana. Let's switch him on Tempaso, Bono and say, Bono Antraje, drawing in to Fentia, the Black Queens of Ghana, DL 106.9 FM, DL 106.9 FM, or message no Emra say Facebooker, DL 106.9 FM, YouTuber, and also DL 106.9 FM, baby, Bia message in my family, Biano. Yamajim Akin Kana be Biaso to me. I come Bono and say a chance for Cameroon and Sobona Trasher. Welcome goal kick. A welcome goal kick here on Fentia, then double liners of Cameroon. A welcome goal kick. Abayo, your friend Alex Kusi were defending numbers at the Black Queens of Ghana. Ni money Bono Esweni Papa men coming out. Alex and I say Grace, captain on the side, Boachi. Portia, Peja Bonon Tempa, so Bonon say, where Jemu will lose the possession of Cameroon. Cameroon for the Bonepa, a Brian on share chasing him 20 or Bonabechi, Maya Kate, and the money goalkeeper. Obomu say boom nation say they are leading by 1-0 team bono. If you feel Cameroonians, Opeja and Tempa so the man captain on the side Hakana and Dana Bakum you Fifi and Femo channel fede bono and say Cameroonians for anybody per chance comes in. Abayo Fede Eto Onimbono bombing coming out we know Samuel to Ninian say Samuel to offers say oh share the way one etan Dana one come here say Samuel to Mojano Ebu Abayo ni Manisa. Yes, Bono and say Fifi and Femo Opeja Bono Tempa so next to Cameroonians on my club lines Bono and say Shannon say the women AFCON 2026 and no Anna Air Toja and so Opiman so Morocco all the way from Casablanca a whole Anna big game no and so to me Air Toja Bono and say foul young Bonfintia the Black Queens of Ghana a foul young Bonfintia the Black Queens of Ghana Shannon say the Black Queens of Ghana one more header from a canon by Kwamo and to me and a penalty and a Baywa your friend Maria Nka. One also added to a team Edema, then double table liners of Cameroon. Bono a throwing in to Fentia Cameroon. A throwing in to Editia Cameroon. A dear 106.9 FM 2026 Women's African Cup of Nation. And no Anna Eguswa Etumi Etoja Bono and say a welcome throwing once again this time around here to the Black Queens of Ghana. Sesia and Ebekodia Cameroon. One more bet to me at top the Group D with 6 points. And the Black Queens of Ghana bet to Simienu. Provided a game and also bet to me at 8 p.m. Bono and say Abayo Ayefeno, Maria and Juan Hinemin coming out. Nene Obeshe Cameroonians. One more players now. Almost so ye papa men coming out. Cameroonians. One more Elsonwa papa. And Mano Elsonwa shot comes in and so welcome goal kick. And you welcome goal kick. My man call Michael say oh so far so good. Man Jinano December gamer. And also to me to Michael.
Ken
Bibi Abakwa so far so good. You have almost 35 minutes. Black Queens of Ghana. Either from a Canova Kwamu and to me and to
Ken so far so good. I think we have witnessed a very beautiful football. Coming to this guy, I knew it wasn't going to be easy because both teams, if we know the first match, they will be determined to get a second winner. I bet Nyama qualified to the next stage. So I knew it wasn't going to be a very easy game for the Black Queens. But so far, it's rather unfortunate that we consider this a penalty now. Almost from by 1-0, and I think they can come back into this game. Almost on the first game against Cape Verde, they were able to control the game, and they were like the latter part of the game. So like the game, they were controlling the game. But I think this game is a game of equal size. So Russia Cameroon for now. When it comes to women football, I think they are one of the powerhouses. I ain't near you African football, and they are very physical too, just like their men. So this game is not going to be an easy game, and so far so good. We are down by 1 goal, but I think the girls can still come back if they are really determined to qualify to the next stage of the competition. I think they should, because for a very long time we have not been able to qualify to the World Cup, and this is the opportunity for us to do that again. So the Asian Domestic, I think they have the girls to do the job for us.
We surely have the girls to do the job. With the coach, your friend came last. Omo Ewe Juma Yemen coming down. Omo Ewe Juma Yemen coming out as say. And he said the Black Queens of Ghana between PMO and so the FIFA World Cup this year. It will surely start from this game as say. And the 4 teams Sombenya and Kwenyanko PMO are the semi-finals. Omo Ewe representing Africa. And so the FIFA World Cup na say Bono and say Cameroon for Shannon so we pay one on the ban Finfian fam with Jemon Tempaso the man Baywa Jefren and Jajo with Jemon Tempaso with Bonama Abaywa friend in Zana for Cameroon between Akwana man BC Asel men coming down we pay one on Tempaso Abbas Austin or the Abbas say Ghana will still win and no a message Abbas Austin and also to me Eddie Abanti and Nipa no Dwana say Ghana for the Dwana what GD say the Black Queens of Ghana they are still going to win the game. And Timo message Emra say Facebook at DL 106.9 FM Facebook YouTube so and also DL106.9 FM WhatsApp and no 0593 40 65 65 0593 40 65 65 and no WhatsApp message. Be the befam be an American can be say to me I come on Bono and say upon your feno Josephine Bonsu. No say referee wa qualify for Tempaso Josephine bet me akwana we Jemu Tempaso Josephine Jemu Edema Bayra your feno Alex Alice Kusi Alice in the bonnet ban and so Bono say no say man be say chin Bono and say no say man be say the near brace brother as well and then Tanfidi no so Bono say Cameroon for na the bonnet bet me akwana Cameroon bet me akwana and so Chantel boy the near brace brother and Lucy Fana say Okochama referee waji for your body to the Black Queens of Ghana. Kamia said this game. Apaywa your friend Chantel and Shada who came this say ni game sa Obama the Black Queens of Ghana no and Nadia. Kamia say on Shada who came this so Bono and say Bono atrashe throwing the end to Fentia the Black Queens of Ghana. Throwing the end to Fentia the Black Queens of Ghana. Apaywa your friend Alice Kusi in Tempaso Peja Bono Simpson. Nesbola Simon and I say Benedict Simon and Boy to me and Koma Cameroon on the bonnet Bambona throwing a throwing the end to Fentia Maya Jeffreno a Cameroon a throwing the end to Fentia Cameroon ha a DL 106.9 FM a DL 106.9 FM Diane Kenneth from Kofi Ken official the international blogger Michael say Ewaha DJ Afiba Ewaha Sasso era Bismarck Edu say man Bise baby girls na president and also to me Ewaha DC Cabrantia Philip Owusujan Womunyina boy chidam Sasso era Mr. Kwame Fum Womunyina boy chidam JC Michael Awuni Paul Raman Womunyina so the moral support Taichi Emma the live commentary no to me Edia Brosh and say Kana etumi elusi game mo hwe nim se mo last game a wo mo so betumi aboeti amali ne man so betumi akoye foul yam Fentia Cameroon foul yam Fentia Cameroon captain on the side Porsche Boachen Tempaso na so me say referee say yensa bobo ni biom retake esan say referee one call for him so and captain Porsche Boache one also etumi ebobo ntene mami say na okay no kakra ho mami say kakra ho we no kakra ho
me say time I go World Cup no nye hu Ghana voa yem from kra no moko me say ye kwa launch krampo anya na odi sika be kira say eduru na ye kwa press conference anya wona Ghana supporters you know ebe shi jama ho na e born the other
that time na dey be fa football bi amunya be shi jama wase o
you see the Black Stars say nya sponsor kromeko omukọ ye we omukọ launch sa under 15 million games no krampo so omukọ ye
say no one nya no sa na ye kwa ye fa wonko
under 15 million games omukọ ye then Nema the senior female soccer team ebo tournament. And this, as a matter of fact, this is the biggest tournament on the continent.
For the female aspect.
Yes. When I did a man equal
World Cup.
And since 2007, a man equal World Cup that. So this is a German count. Mining in a year of support. And come bet me I qualify.
Now, ma say now I did not grown by I now shall say no. And you cry a movie a moment. And you cry musicians.
Musicians no.
Influencers the Okroma Blaster. You be call a World Cup. You won't say bloggers name. Influencers no money na maseni ade ade
ade dey small mo unim ze guy ya wa TikTok akwom ven jatabu out zaman see akwobi bani DM ze ana mabonyum check nyum no okwa check yo hi enye de
ana e blast as nyum
blast nyum truka yem fro bia no bia bobi
obi abodi de e be de na afama no what I say
na we mo anka obi anka betim na fa on and a guy artiste DJ Fiba ododo na kita ododo na uno muni nkomo
we say ke opportunity ke opportunity ye be bo amount Obia
oh media house I'm be running commentary for Black Queens no e be boni nyina man mo da je blasters enju de man de ye be nya time awuro na musicians ye no mo okuru mu a ye no mo a na hu se blasters go bo game no bia na mabo nyu mabo
say qualify se enche anu ya September ya qualify so
ye hu so bi be ka so be bo nyu ma blasters e be ke yempe
enye you supporters union no afena who co stadium and supporters union for is who kwama wa ye central ni kura wuntumi nya kwan kura nya enkwa badwuma
omo de e be bo mo so
Janto Ajmedi and so bono throwing Jeto Editia the Black Queens of Ghana throwing in to Fentia the Black Queens of Ghana 40 minutes played so far of Erika in Ghana Yada former Kamakwana Zamutimi NTA the Black Queens of Ghana Eda former Kamakwana one more end to me NTA Bono Ekra Banywa goalkeeper side Cynthia Kolan the pass with Pejabana Sisemu the three koyom say Panyai Let's lose possession Bono and say Cameroonians someone who didn't papa men coming out Cameroon for no one didn't coming out and say Ocha who didn't palm I didn't see any other Black Queens of Ghana players in the soil Kamia said the Black Queens of Ghana there was someone moments and says see an Equadia I want dear Cameroon Omo didn't papa men coming out Bono and say foul and now say throwing in 220 at the Black Queens of Ghana Bono throwing here 2 at the Black Queens of Ghana ha DL106.9 FM DL106.9 FM live commentary and we say and so at the Women's African Cup of Nations Morocco 2026 at Etoja Bono foul young Bonington pass on Fentia Cameroon Sima Adriana Mienu Eko Sima Adriana Mien Santimanis of Fedikai the Black Queens of Ghana 0 then double liners of Fire Cameroon 1 then double lions of Fire Cameroon Omo etumi Ashaba Kwama Okunimu Ayatin Adama Kim Last and Emayuano a throwing Tempasu Josephine Ojemu Eshe Abaywa Yefeno Chantal with Jemu Tempasu with Jemu the man Doris Boudoir a chance comes in for Black Queens Neso with me and Fabono Anko Emma referee wa qualify for foul a foul young Bonfenti Abaywa Yefeno at least a kusi for the Black Queens of Ghana a foul young Bonfenti the Black Queens of Ghana look at that tackle on Abaywa Yefeno Mai Kid and it was a bad tackle from Alice Ayakusi. Japan and pass over the Black Queens of Ghana. Fifian Femo Bona Trash throwing in to Fentia the Black Queens of Ghana. Throwing here to the Black Queens of Ghana. Memunse coach Kim Las. Neni Abresa Crodamen coming at coach Kim Las. Nadia after Nora Hampton. Yesheni Msenka coach Kim Las ono ere mayo anabaka kwa piemu enso Brazil mami say say Ghana mayo to me qualify unjiri say Brazil dey man for any be Brazil beko
oh Brazil don't see about tournament order 2014 and Brazil one country America say Ghana for the and so I say omukwa kwa bravo wamu kwa no mkosho body
ye fa hoko bobra o se Brazil de dodo na fa ho tisimo Colombia ebe tisimo Costa Rica ko piemu US o
ana America say adene ye kwa ye kohwe bo aba do kasia no krambo ye ko US no dodo na ntimi anko bi o ta say Trump no mi ane mamu nze say was had newborn bi aba say almost 50 African countries so open o visa over science abon I think I'm say $20,000 what about was a as a visit now they kwa o time no so obeba na do $20,000 amount one man now we don't come rush
yes US for nafa
yes countries 50 and
Ghana count
David God been so good Ghana count say Ghana dey
Ghana dey ye hu Ghana dey me wo mu say na dodo na person mu ye but Ghana dey open African country omudio mu ni ye pa
Ghana nkasa
Ghana kan
ye dimra so
papa
especially say ye movie out of Ghana say ye come on my for so ye dimra so pa ye pasem so asem
Ghana ni betumi ato nsu anu ma to rubber na atwe no kruma ba to kodu obi man so a ono kra na hwe bebia dasmin ye de ewo
ana ye nya basa when it comes to fraud aspect ne sa kata yi kalabulens and no Ghana empempi no nti say globally we better say bad stories around the Ghana so Donald Trump the man abaso nzo open ni die Matisa was a person or call for fourth term as American president
and the US for na be hwe atoamon ambono fa oyembo mfentia Cameroon baby abono etano say Black Queens of Ghana aboni edia I think between any equalizer abayo IFN Chantel boy ni trademark baby abono etano there so bo eboni ya baby asbetumi atane enso dia maya Jeffrey Ghana free kick 45 minutes plus additional 5 minutes and a referee one also etumi area to game so bono a free kick Jamon Fentia Cameroon a free kick tempaso ya Monfentia Cameroon Baku mieno miensa Chantal obetumi atikana na free kick me say referee wasena pem a free kick referee asena pem chance comes in so Bono Atrashe my welcome goal kick a welcome goal kick ya Monfentia the Black Queens of Ghana a welcome goal kick Michael eba na mana technique I dey set pieces I can say coaches you know omo shada am one man e set pieces
enye man kwa ken so wo hwe ye blaster ne kra say enya set pieces a say enye Jordan you never ko gina chi a I think say
no dey throw nyina oto
yeah so that you dia oye technically gifted a omutimi ebo set pieces and I think that is one thing I say it be working on because in games like this when the game become very difficult you have to make use of your set pieces I bet me amawenya at least a goal or an equalizer but say ultimately taking set pieces here I think it will be very difficult for you to get a win because which game now we are not creating any chances say yeah boy could do the final third our decision making over there is very poor and I think that these are the opportunities I say it me taking advantage of corner kicks and free kicks away ni monuma e bet me ayewe I think like Ghana kasano about a free kick near the idea and so that we really need to work on it so share Premier League ne crowd free kick baton I will be gina now akwechi now be boom now a quarter stance and I think that is not something very nice so share brocha so free kick baton crowd now who say obi mu say penalty mpo say corner bass chance nya corner Arsenal nya corner you can tell that a goal is coming but say over we cannot say the same for them nya free kick na ya ko gina ya bonu na without any technique and I think that they have to really work on that one.
They really have to work on that. As I said, pieces of Chromadia. Kamia said Africans in terms of set pieces there. Mono ever forming coming out. Bono and say Cameroonians some more and the bonnet Bobet Miakwana, Finfian Femo with Jemo and Sodama Barra, Yafeno, I am Belek, and Belek Betmiakwana as well as possession of Cynthia Kulan goalkeeper. With Pierre Sobonimo, so the Black Queens of Ghana. Cynthia Tempaso with Jemodiama Porsche Boachi to Susanna Amandia, Susanna and the Bonnie Bobetumia Kwana, Bono and said the Black Queens of Ghana captain, or Peter Bono Shaba UFNO, Zakaria Apini, Nenso Lucy possession, as so the amount Cameroonians, Bono says Chantel, Bobono Amabona Trashe throwing, a throwing in 250 Amaya. Jeffrey Ghana, Black Queens of Ghana, coach Kim Las, Neni Ambresa Krodamanche, Adia and referee of the side. One also bet to me, Asena Pen, Emma Kim Ninya to me, Abaniwes and say, and nay, 45 minutes plus additional 5 minutes. Nina answer to me, Abaniwe and Santianche, Adia referee. One also bet to me, Asena Pen, or the Prince, Mole Stadium, Casablanca, Morocco. Ne Morocco for no muso muntina mu memo ntia nei ukopiemu enso ewo the city of sweater eno krokitue bia enei omo any Spain for no ebo she mama say
omo dwane aba o
omo san ba ho
omo se come wo ne de maza come the drum mam kra ye en America pa ase ye de abasa omo emu ma mu me ma say Obia sa babak
na za na come ko pe greener pastures
akwa ba okwa buru kra wenye bi edi
e wo se ta ho
no she na bi say baby yo
sa
asa
na wo she ekwan ya mo dware nsuo de free opa de kopie mu wa ya se ekurokuma bi a
no Morocco but Spain for there
Spain for no territory nti ene Spain for na rule on ti no me say mo du bo sha sase so a nsa bata mo godu wo no
ka de train mo kran ye na woni me ansi wa te on kran no
woni mi a me enchia no
ma bi wasi wa to nkran ti wo pon
woni mi a anti ye pon a
ye to mfa
ye pon anti guys ye yan won ye for
na wo ubedi de
o de edu ha ti afiba
thank you but no one me and ma bi mo aye dada
anti ye nyo dada to o ti ne ye ha kwa wo ye to opre kwa na
nti me ne nka
Mike ana me bua
ha
kwa wo ne nka Jije list no na wo be bia wo de ya afiba so azora no
international
eti first half and so etimi abanawie and so the Prince Mole Stadium and so will be man so Morocco nti omanya ye freno Cameroon and so etimi ashe the Black Queens of Ghana kaba kwa omo entumi anti and so ho nti ye hwe nim say second half no enema and so betumi akoye dia ma the Black Queens of Ghana came last and then maywa no e wo say mutumi esesa nyama ni esan say ene ukohwe bench wana Ghana for Dodona and so and I say players Dodona and so bench and omo betumi acho mo bobede ama the Black Queens of Ghana esan say players I would run bebre ho and they betumi asan game ti mame kwa bejafo na first half menjo manu di semesan say gamer ye hwe ne first half there and I came last e was all here and I first day and I betumi abo going to the second half. Michael Mamitio.
Ken, it's a very nice first half to me actually. Ghana is down by 1-0 and I think it reflects the game. The SCO Park in this one the result not the because and then the girls are not playing as send on first game and I think because they are playing against a tougher side they are not getting the rhythm of their game and going down 1-0 they can still come back. I said second half, but second half, Coach Kim last. I said, "Otimi some changes. Now all the fresh legs. Who say your squad nankasa no age ain't should any half. I said players in the now engineer was through in. When you come to difficult games like this, I am not tempo no high into any me bemuntem. So Coach Kim last. I said coming into the second half, me introduce the young chaps now. Otimi any fresh legs. Maybe it's a sad game. We really need to win this game or at least get a draw from it. Then we can take another point from the next game. Now I bet Mama qualified to the next stage. So it has been a beautiful game. We haven't gotten our rhythm like the first game, boy, and I think the Cameroonians are controlling the game so far. And second half, I think Coach Kim last girls bet me Kasana with me some more tactics. My problem is when they get to the final third of the game now, their decision making over there is very poor. And just like the first game, we created a lot of chances in the first game, but when they get to the final third, Nana almost squanders our chances, and then you can see they are repeating the same mistakes in the first game. The lucky side was that the first game against Cape Verde, they were not all that strong.
So now we can obviously say we are Cape Verde for in terms of women football in Africa. Mamundu that pedigree of compared to Cameroon and in Nigeria.
It's like we are very strong. I think they could have punished us because now you chance to say to me, it's me and they were also not pulling up. But it's a social game where the Cameroonians are very determined to win the game and they know what is at stake. They know that the World Cup is at stake. And since 2007, Ghana ain't me encore World Cup here. And I think this is a time for us to also do something about me, and I think the second half the coach should make some changes about me as a game. Okay.
Yes, and Michael said coacha and I need Oti na no the same say wait to me check kwan second half no and yema enso to me akoye dem the Black Queens of Ghana. Ti mame come man be say na menche na no the same na me kwa Ghana for say Ghana for some say mamuhwe game to Ghana Ghana for be can't man be say then a coach Kim last going into the second half. Ono so I was yema and yema to me akoye dem the Black Queens of Ghana.
Ken ye di kan ma menchia na nafia say o monitor dwumadi no ti ye nchia na nafia
fantastic
yes na nafia o heavy pound
o heavy
e ma bo ne de eduzi sa na ma no omu awun adaje ni poso omu nyina enso timi support nti ye nchia na nafia so monitor dwumadi ni ti no na nafia o heavy ma mentonka nti after the game ma mentonka Ken first half no nya bawi and unfortunately Ghana yada for my kaba akwa and a penalty ababa your friend say kusi I didn't answer to go na result in that penalty. O my friend say Cameroon so to me convertible.
Na ye nyina ye boss. Mr. Kwame Fum. So say o monitor dwumadi no. Enti ye ncha bole baby o Obia no. On send Sunday ba ne sa e bia na eyi ni tintintim na ide akose wia ne sa enti ye ncha no. Ye ncha bole.
Odidin so o my ndibi. Yeah. Something
oh meeting catch papa et obi pass man kan e no kagu from him eti eno anu no a
di anu me
anu
so the American say Ken first half na nya baby and yamo Cameroon for na baso say I think say o ma ho odin share Ambro Ghana Black Queens team ne so the baby sa but o mo timi take your chance that crucial penalty mo nya baba ntimi convert here no clearly chere say omo ye poise ne omo betimi secure that victory no
against Black. Na man say baby Joe on say Ojo Mensu
baby Joe
on so monitor show no and so e TikTok and baby Joe baby Obia no me ncha say God bless you and bless you more and no
baby Jones yan kan che no edu Black Stars o timi free Kumasi
ba ebesu one kind
me kai say final game yani Mali na boy final qualifiers wo krumu a after say secure qualification be sure no get baby Josie nyam no get ni ase ni eti baby Joe yan kan kire no edu Black Queens nso a
kodi asamai
o me ntine nkase bia adam panifo na ama na nkwa na ase tesen baby Joe onso ya one man supporter and only langa ba mu nyina no mu din sa so
na me say before world cup ne dey am for chi omo
baby Joe fi Kumasi ba Accra
na wa hu Spider-Man e wo Accra so wo Spider-Man
never is na edu mai so dia na se o mu nyina atia dai ti baby Joe fan kire mu nimra e de na ekoso o ti ase
yes
e ma no mu hia mo support no matimi qualify now get back to the game Misusi say tactically both sides no my discipline and a Black Queens man no me share nya clear cut opportunity bia we boy Doris Bodu anya ye na otimi boss afibo short term goalkeeper nso so mu na I don't think so much share nya clear cut opportunity bia o matimi midfielders in the shape of that of Chantal matimi my defensive rating pass Portia Boache first game against Cabo Verde which was a long range passer or dem baba friend said Doris Bodu this game no one said that and convince me all that match I don't know say bia on the side of Cameroon no matimi I defend ye and no mudi am amugina ogina mfimfia dem am nso ball Real Madrid no team B e wo Spain so say na America say I'm Ghana e ma ba no dodo na bob e bobo amanane no likewise Cameroon national team e ma no am so dodo na bobo amanane so what the professional na say quality na ba yen so equal and good quality and say good players as yours. So game ni there yet there but I think they on the caller and as a text be the by one guy be or monitor you made
yes
I say come here say opening friends came last
defensive
defender
Ghana there I think your coach me who Ghana coach be a ne or dey be a fluid football bar ye press more that
and the American say Ken wan go suake Carlos Queiroz o me game nim boy girls no mnim born bo omiem Cameroon modern said and this road say sin ye ya ayebeka say bia on betin ye bi mo mbehye bebira na say on betua fa so boy na ba na a mistake bi what I say ana baba na ode ne naiji na anye ye na ko boy na penalty result into penalty so omie boy ni na onye de onko all out onko boy no what I say yes the defense in there is all that for my kabako what do you want what I mean end 1-0 you are still losing 3 points yes what I say so why don't you open up go all out now to me find equalizer then you think of say bia betimi and then your victory no so Kenneth kakra make am first half na Jacqueline so monitor you made Jacqueline Asante
no way
no what tema
oh okay encha no
I say ya Nhyiraba Sammy no pa
okay
Jacqueline so monitor
yes enti eno Bismarck edu say man be say baby girls nyina momo president no na otini ka me say Ghana 4% mo kebie san say hwe bola Ghana for no elbow na come and say mention that enso ni nti we ma me anaso me telephone number one na me mfa Ghana for be mienu miensa bi na yentumi emfa fetos mienu no enso entumi entodwa nti uba 0534050 190534050 199 afeso 05934 6565 05934 6565 uba na wetumi aweche wadwen e wo gima Black Queens of Ghana womo eguso mo ebo wo gidie say ni second half kanu enso betumi ati wo. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Oh.
Hello, good evening. Yeah, Penicas, you didn't say okay, Safrin.
Yeah, you better. The whole part of the
Sir. Mati Yanas and Yamfambra. Hello, good evening. Yes, come here say when to me engine so to be to me about 0534050 190534050 199 afeso 05934 6565 05934 oba na wa be che wadwen kama na bibia say to me I come. Hello, good evening. Hello, good. Maybe freeway feed no kakama why now. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
Open the case odin is quick na yanko.
But your friend Bolaji.
Me ba chenti o.
Me suggest the coach no second half on season yeah press no fa one more bench dem bra.
Mati, why?
Yeah, me that's.
Mati e be catch. Hello, good evening. Yes, come here say other line there. Omoba mu entumi engine so we Paul or say or share all the way from a takwa and a Paul so etumi share edifin to say Ghana 3 Cameroon 1. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me ba cha odin di say na kasa free.
But I'm this blessed.
Me ba cha wa homa no gina baby ye my kakra why.
Hello.
Yeah, also o the blessed one.
Hello.
Me ba cha yetio.
The blessed.
Blessed me ba cha gina baby ye my na yenton kai why. Yes, enti blessed and to me engine so producer say me from last two callers na yen fasum no and say hello, good evening.
Yes, evening no.
Me ba cha odin di say na kasa free.
Okay, me kasa fi Savannah region Bole.
Bole bamboy won.
Yes, sir.
Me ba cho yentio.
Okay, senior. Born the a man who say omo jeans no any member dey nyete. So what ya?
Yes.
Na mum ade I ha me say boy pa to pa. What the mouth player. Na boy na da fam na formation na den akonanim. But who did defense na who push ball ama player or no player di kan marking the da. E be dey anytime be float ball na be samba back to. Also enti man like coaches no so at least omo fa pressure kakran type players na chi na omo so di na park no so o ye bibie bi ho a omo di na park no so kra no mada. The goalkeeper for instance well to no kra e ba ne sa o di na pon ma se ni refi no so o ye adwuma so acha.
Mpachai. Yeah, that's it. All the way from Bole Bamboy won. President Chrome and Kowe and so if we buy a team, my main family last a collar. Na yam for fetos me no enche no so betumi. Hello, good evening.
Thank you, Apom.
Pacho nyame adom na wo so.
Ifarumo.
Pacho entio.
Boy dear, and I know bonny. But and then I got to find out about what they are say, it don't matter because both are support behind
me bacho yo yate why so do de kakra enso ebeka eye dwumedi nti yefa course ni si ne pomoma na yetumi abefa course no enso ewo na bibia so etumi aye kama hyane so se ade a ofedi ka no enso etumi abane wiye ewo eye mole eye Prince Mole eye stadium enso ewo Casablanca the Black Queens of Ghana eda for me kanu ba kwa wo so entumi antinti yemfa na yentwa ho ye ba na yabetu adwumedi no so na bibia so etumi aye kama nti ye dan ho ye ba pe ofetos minu no enso betumi ato aso ede mamo.
Yalande. Ghana Dradi for Mumbrenio. Afiwe Pram Beye the Dad on First Trade, Pram Traditional Council, and a Center for National Culture, Greater Accra Region, under the auspices of the Ministry of Tourism, Culture and Creative Arts, Ningo Pram District Assembly, Edijumedia Yatudin First Trade Cultural and Food Festival 2026. Bro homo we are entrepreneur, we are Jedini, and our business owner, and Yakwenya Naba, Ghana Drianepa, business opportunities, exhibition and shopping, and our music and arts, and our entertainment. What did Jano, my Sansu Bowen Yumpa, Nina Yadi Brow, Ewa Jumedia Yasi, and Yuntofua Kukuda Indie, Bebre Qua Jumedia Air Basso, a Fiada 14th Copim Quisiada 30th August 2026. Our Pram Anglican School Park, Yandamo Bia debut, Sunset, a 24-hour economy market. Upetinche Mubia, Fred 0546 178 274 and now 0548 918 116 for partnership, registration, and sponsorship. Share Coin all social media platforms for updates at First Trade Official. First Trade Cultural and Food Festival 2026, celebrating African trade, food, and culture.
DL Power Sports live commentary. Joe, emu de aye clear, crystal clear. DL Power Sports, emu de ejawo dead down.
Right, yes, Samuel Kwaba FM DL 106.9 FM. Remember, someone else offered to see you and I did also bet me at to drive out the Prince Mole Stadium and so our Casablanca, Morocco, and I saw big game no and so it me to Jati, Mamma come and be or na men ko bisa man be say second half no Gideon Wɔhɔ say coach Kim Lance and my one and so bet me at Kano Edema the Black Queens of Ghana. Mammy say Ken second half, what expectation to say?
Saying an American first half in the banner year. The American is Kim Lance as it stands. He has barely 45 minutes of soccer fiesta here. Saying a Bejaguana say, Ombetimi redeem you more. No Matimia coming from behind Abete Kanashe. Near Timia secure 3 points or that game win. Now, first half game, and as a tactics, I will deploy on the field of play. I think it's a high timer. As you Timmy, as a son and son, no Timmy Beam. Na I omutimi biem na otimi bo attacking football akra and there is a born and this year na say 1-0 wa lucy so the Americans say omie game ni mom call out say come here say born na e bia omuntimi process wo form on balu born because first game against Cabo Verde be kai hawa ababa your friends Doris I captain Boache otimi balu za born na striker no Doris Bodua e follow koshe go no. So clearly, Memhun is a game where he doesn't have anything to lose. So, second half, he may expect to say, Black is able to make 2 goals, me to win the game.
I know a Bismarck, you say, and our tenant country, Mamma call Michael on expectation, and so I will fair to Michael. Second half.
Okay, second half, I say, coaching to me some early changes, or the fresh legs, be putting more pressure on the Cameroonians. Now, and say with me at the canal because. Say, I'm pressing higher. I think that the pressure will still be on us, and losing 1-0, they still lose, and we will not get a 3 point. We need the 3 points. It's to introduce you new fresh legs to the game. Now, also, taking advantage of our set pieces because games like this they're very difficult. And to me, create chance. It's a free kick me bar. I say, it may result into something. And so, it will be very difficult for us to win this game, and it will be a very bad result for us. Coach Nation or introduce you fresh legs into the game.
Coach Kim Lance or Juma Yemen coming out 45 minutes plus 1 minute, and I am boy. I want to toss him, you know. Abayo, your friend Doris, Bodua. He nearly got a equalizer for the Black Queens of Ghana. Look at that, Sean, and so took the intervention of goalkeeper Bahina. Or no other service situation or answer the Mamaya. Jeffrey Cameroon, Bono, and say Cameroon. One more defending their numbers. Nancy goalkeeper Bahina with Pedro Bonas in Semo Center Secretary Kwemse Panyai. In Finfia Femo captain on the side with Jemon Tempaso or the money goalkeeper Cynthia Colan. Cynthia Colan and the body Badman, the Black Queens of Ghana. Okone mo INT and so the mother Black Queens of Ghana ha DL 106.9 FM DL 106.9 FM. And then coach ni Obia ni wa changes. Obia ni wa On also to me I changes our toss me no in my wa Wamusia Conferica Chan for the Black Queens so Cameroon. One more acclamalize. Cameroonians acclamalize and foul Yamon Fentia then double table liners of Cameroon. And foul baby a foul at Tano and Camille say Black Queens of Ghana El Babonia. I think Ghana met me and the Kulaisa by your friend Grace Asantua. One or any could summon F. Shuamane referee. Watch it foul Yamon Fentia. The double table liners of Cameroon, Menuse Kim last. What me I the first change of the game, Menuse Abayua. Jeffen Bedu Abba game Nimu Ama the Black Queens of Ghana. A free kick. Menuse captain on the side, 10 pass so Abba shot. That's what I save. What a save from goalkeeper Bahina. It was a fantastic save, one and say one and trash a welcome goal kick. Man be say look at that save.
Ken yamo goalkeeper na baso because we share baby Porsche a driving ball now show how a goalkeeper and so Timmy ball and also punch ball from goal line this one clearly Ababa no abon money so yamo na baso and I don't know what is really wrong with Ababa friends Chantel because Chantel and say me pempino no sujina mercy academy not yam for us and you say Chantel so bobo and American coach Kim last on can check girls is fretch omun throw more men more women up front. Come on, team, no, any team be a brayer. So, what you say? Ukwachaki here together. The very last time I shared 2021, you show me 2-0. So, I didn't think this time I am here born here for pressure and easy almost then. Then, to me, you say, Benya equalizer, and then we begin to think of say, bit me win one. So, girls, there's someone to me come. Coach came last. Uncle Canon got cracking.
Coach came last. Jumaya said the Black Queens of Ghana, Epese. One more to me, every game, Nadia. And now same Puno Munya try a favorable result at the Black Queens of Ghana. Bono and say about your friend and Bones to Josephine. What 2010 pass or share Doris Boyd Wabana Trash throwing and Tom Fenty Amaya Yefena Cameroon. Sima and 9 warfare Tosimino. Gola Abayua Yefera Maria Inga or share and wana. Jegusu Kremo and so our Hamen coming out. Bono AFO Yam Bonfetti at the Black Queens of Ghana. AFO Yam Bonfetti at the Black Queens of Ghana message in the air. Bana Epa and so Facebook. Sasso and our WhatsApp. And we say Uma F Saudi Arabia. The message and so to me at me diaba. I say good evening. How are you, man? Happy birthday to you, man. God bless you. I wish you better life and long life if you can. And no a messenger Uma all the way from Saudi Arabia. And so to me Ediaba French be but mami say shall see her French no yin bako na bibia say to me enye kama
Facebook and
there be you or TikTok or no we say French message behind there. And so to me say bonsoir mon free Ghana victory Ghana no che say Ghana to me ashe or the free Burkina Faso
say Ghana then
I say bonsoir mon frère Ghana victory Ghana it's a Ghana will win victory Ghana
one on the French in the adiani
na we
bonsoir
I say bonsoir na so we I don't know good evening Michael oh there French no
second Michael
what vote are French
and I'm Togo did you Togo no man
what's the French now Canadian I say who yi French now say
who yi back
long grain rice
na no French in the kra when's your French ka close
there say French there o say monsieur for no na omo high monsieur for French
monsieur for no haji o
papa kasa nya ye kasa o say munya abotre any kire no na monsieur beba no ne ni abresa krodom no de abasie so
monsieur the monsieur ntina want me answer
me say ntina me say French no e ban Spanish ni ade dia o say I know you come up
ba wo brofo ankasa na o ya ade o ya ban brofo dia o ya ade pa
and for any co brofo
in fact you root me church brofo mo I say man me say brofo dia o ya ade
and we can say we no fan for brofo ka
yeah to us bono e draw in yan to fetia the Black Queens of Ghana 10 possible and Santra share this time around Gentle Fentia ye Cameroon. Me won say abayo ye friend Josephine Bonsu. Niniam presse crowd of Mabayano or Jan announcement coming out of Josephine. Then pass over to the Doris. A chance comes in for the Black Queens. Obetimi Akwana and so Bono and say Bayano answer to me. I'm a Bono trash throwing in 220 at the Black Queens of Ghana. Throwing in 220 at the Black Queens of Ghana. ADL 106.9 FM DL 106.9 FM. Baby, I will be on my message number. Baby, I will be on my message number. Say Facebook. Facebook DL 106.9 FM. So and YouTube so DL 106.9 FM. Say WhatsApp so 0593406565 0593406565 and no WhatsApp message. Baby, I will be for piano. I can be Bia to me. I come coming out now. Bono and say Cameroon captain on the side of it to me. And so send more item by your friend on Zana for a Cameroon. Zana Peja 1 and 10 parts. So I shall buy your friend Naomi Eto bet to me. And so when to me, I'm for Cotanian Kwama goalkeeper Cynthia Colan. Already born on 10 parts. So the Bonama Baywa. Jeffrey Posha Boachi captain and so Lucy possession. A chance comes in for Cameroon. Bet me Akwana chance Neso Bono Aya Pere Cameroon. Bet me Akwana Wabosho and so Bono and baby cry. They were looking for the second goal. And so look at the stands. Kamia say Penifuano Obia ni stadium and so to me Adampa Mane. Utumi han when he kanipa woman so the prince mole stadium message in there bana men coming and fananda way edia bossy Teresa Edu Ghana all the way and no messenger Teresa Edu one also to me by Profstar GH and ne ukopimo Hana TV Kumasi ho and a Profstar and so didn't Juma baby I will be a Profstar. Minchana Bibia sent me and you come out in the message about say, bro, you are doing a great job. And no Profstar GH messenger on also to me Eddie Fuel by Sanso and away Eddie about say, good evening. I am watching you live from Ewu to Breku. Fantastic commentary, Kofi Ken official. Please extend my greetings to Man Bise, Odisi Cabrantier, and Michael. Keep up the great job. And no messenger Teresa Edu. On also to me Ediba Yan 200 so Bono Ekra Apayua your friend Grace Asantu betimi Akwana Grace with Jemu and so them Apayua your friend Doris and so Bono trash throwing and 220 Maya Jeffrey Cameroon 55-minute play so far second half. Then double lineups of Cameroon. They are still leading by 1 goal to 0. They are still leading by lone goal to 0. Another throw in for the Black Queens of Ghana this time around. Josephine Bonsu, October 10 pounds and about 20 Koma. Cameroon for us and gaining possession. Bonnie a throwing and 220 Cameroon. A throwing and 220 Cameroon. Naomi Eto. Nini a brace a crowd of men coming and Fernando. A throwing here too and so they tell Maya. Jeffrey this time around and 220 the Black Queens of Ghana. Ha DL 106.9 FM. Ha DL 106.9 FM. Happy belated birthday, Kofi Ken official. And no Teresa Edu Richard Sechi area boss. Good evening, more fire. And no also Richard messenger. And also to me area for Facebook area about and Chemebemu YouTube. Nama can message no and so be a few second half. Okonimo ayadin the Black Queens of Ghana. No say coach came last. Bono come and say every 1 minute Biana Bono and I'm through. 1 minute Biana Bono and I'm throwing. Josephine Bonsu. What 10 pass on Shabaywa Yefena Bedu Yama Bedu Coin Bono say still Bedu between Akwana and so. I want to Emma Cameroonians. Womo asa gaining possession, bona trash throwing. Gentle Fenty at the Black Queens of Ghana. Throwing here to Fenty at the Black Queens of Ghana. Some few supporters and they. Womo Aqua Piemo and so the Prince Mole Stadium. They are really cheering their team up. NS Akoto Pamfo. I say, what is the score, please? NS Black Queens of Ghana at that for my Kabakwa. One more end to me, NT NS. Cameroon 1, Ghana 0. No score line, and also to me, to John Kessie. All the way from UK. Or the about say, good job, guys. You guys are doing a fantastic job. I know John Kessie. Message and also free UK. And so to me, everybody. Mommy say message be about ourselves. So I know your old side one. We know. Emma until you are sure, mommy. Gentle Jimedian so ZB area boss Cameroon 1, Ghana 0. Cameroon 1, Ghana 0. Cameroon 1, Ghana 0. Bono say Fifian Femo Black Queens of Ghana Petu Betimia Kwana Chemo Diama Baywa Jeffreno Torres Boudoir Shabaywa your friend Torres Betimia Fana Torres Kahi Nesu Bona Trashe Yantum Fenty the Black Queens of Ghana. Jetu the Black Queens of Ghana high DL106.9 FM Shannon say the women of Con 2026 the women of Con 2026 and no Anna Egusa Etoja the women of Con 2026 no Anna Etoja will be man so Morocco to be precise and ne Kamia say every CAF competition piano dear final and I say Morocco one more and to me a host Edema Africa Bono and say upon your friend Alex Kusi to Abaywa your friend Benedict Simon Benedict Yesuna Boma Refi Wajifao Yam Pomfentia Maya your friend Cameroon Fao Yam Pomfentia Cameroon man say
you see who share a Black Queens team in Cameroon national team girls in the team now. And so in terms of physicals no. I'm not the same Black Queens team so what's the year. So in this situation no. The open say born unjina so nche. But Black Queens man amunya Obia as or person or pegi Bobby na or din na jina one year Argentina and Spain national team final na.
Yes.
Argentina for aggressively. Good is here too. So in that regard no one buy a tiki taka pa ujeje muntentem but as a Black Queens man person money I Cameroon for my and so ejina bon so as ahoadin bi be mu tutimi no mo money sa so kimlas no mo nin komo gase bon no e ba na jemu tentem o pass ya o mo ye runs wo mu a o ben se go na ba but ko ban so person ejina bon so kira ahoadin bi peg ni ade dia enko yesi ya ne ade bon apon again
se ban say dia kamia say Okunimu be din and so the man the Black Queens of Ghana a corner comes in pageant and pass it 3 queens a chance comes in next what a save look at that save from a goalkeeper Bahina. It was a fantastic save from goalkeeper Bahina. Mambi said just look at that save.
I think the Badubayano Benedict and goalkeeper ni credit no.
Yes, Bahina.
Ekwan so dia but we hear the composure and the calmness how every time biano oye come go post ni ma e ba ya no timi som so yamana ba sunze we goalkeeper bi na prepare bo e betimi kra fa sulia.
Yes.
And I think we betimi kra to one jab before say born be ba so yamana ba so I still see the Black Queens e betimi nya equalizer no.
You still see the Black Queens of Ghana can have the equalizer. We've done almost about 61 minutes played inside the second half. The Black Queens of Ghana, they are down by long goal to 0. Just look at that tackle from Abaywa Yefeno, Josephine Bonsu. No to me are resulting yellow card. The second yellow card of the game for the Black Queens of Ghana. The second yellow card of the game. I call Ediama Abaywa Yefeno, Josephine Bonsu. Coach Kim Las. Neni Abre Papa men coming out. A free kick here, body the Black Queens of Ghana captain on the side. Abaywa Yefena Hakana or Peja Bono Tempaso. A 3 queens say Panya in so Bono and say Fifia Femo. Abaywa Yefena Torres. Kamia said this game Opomo enhu game so Doris and a face abaywa Jefeno Chantal Michael. Kamia said Doris game one shot down so.
Ken, so game na ebona. I think the gap between your attackers and the midfield is so wide. It's the amount of long passes. So long pass now. Cameroon from they are very physical. And the so long pass ni mo na oma headi bona back. So I'm a bona headi am Doris because I know want me nya bone at her feet. I'll bet me a control ball. And I say coach ne on your mukasa because the gap ne musudodo and it is forcing them to play long passes. And long passes enya the boy because the girls no they are physically stronger. How much mini Cameroon for now competing. So this is one thing I say coach ne now I'm closing the gap between the midfield and the attack. No I'm jai long balls no because so ball long ball na acquire better by and you will not create anything out of it. And I think they just 1 or 2 set pieces I bet me BB. So she said I boy na keep an me save. I think that should have been a goal than say or misses a chance because just on the goal line so to me a couple side on the two. And that was a bad play from Bedu. I said 8 minutes ago a ball equalizer. So I think that the coach should talk to them. They should close the gap between attack and any midfield.
They should close the gap between the attack and the midfield. From my co-commentator Michael say a chance for the Black Queens of Ghana and subordinate to Myankoma Cameroonians Abajwa Yefreno Naomi Eto Wabobona Tuna James and say Abaya Bakoda Gopamane so TNA referee were calling for the medical team. A temporary hold up 63 minutes into the 64th minute. The Black Queens of Ghana, they are down by long goal to 0. The Black Queens of Ghana, Kamia say, Usha second half, and coach Kim Lance, on him, Wana Kasama, Monimono, Kamia say, Peja Basoka Kranisa. A temporary hold up is on Zabayano, Eshe JC Nama 24 for Cameroon. Ono Eda go permanent so Eje, Ayarishe Ewa go permanent say, Sanse. Banyo Amako Entum Emi Eda Foma and name say coach Kim Lance on any man wano enso egusu omo edin komo ahwese bibia so betumi akoye coach Valentin Ingales of Cameroon neni abrese krodomen coming and fanada ene o instructing girls no say montumi enhwema bibia so entumi enye kama enfema then double liners of Cameroon DL106.9 FM DL106.9 FM live on Facebook, live on YouTube. Bibia obefa audio message bebe piano jebe kenkan answer to me Eddie Amona bibia say to me I kama we Eddie Abosi I am Waxy Manuel Go Black Queens and our face all the fire emojis no at me about our YouTube. It is a Facebooker, a DL106.9 FM, Sasa YouTuber, and also a DL106.9 FM. Say WhatsApp so a 059340 65 059340 6565 and on a WhatsApp message a bar. Yebedeme I can kind of be say to me I come on Bono air throwing Jamon Fenty Amaya Yefena Cameroon. We've done about 65 minutes inside the second half. The Black Queens of Ghana, they are down by a long goal to 0. The Black Queens of Ghana. One more header from a cannon back, one more air share some between Atiamoka. Cameroon captain on the side, and a captain wa Bobo Papa men coming and Fernando. Captain on the side, Edema Cameroon. And any money mono was 3 year Papa men coming and Fernando. A welcome goal kick. A welcome goal kick. Jebo Enso Eddie Tiamaya, Yefeno, the Black Queens of Ghana. Finfin Femo and so Lucy possession at the man Porsche Boache captain on the side with Jimon Tempasso back to Porsche Susanna Amadiama with me a corner for the Black Queens of Ghana or Bona Deche Remo Elso Cameroon one more Shannon on the side Josephine on my passing into me a comma Cameroon captain on the side or Bob on my bonnet say Finfin Femo Bedun and see Amana Quine one there Debona Trash throwing in to Fentia then double table liners of here Cameroon. Then double table lioness of a Cameroon. Mehunsen Sache Aquaso Ewa Cameroon Afemoanesa. And Sache Aquaso Josephine. Obetimi Aquana Josephine Bonsu. Wa passing and see Sunaboma referee waji foul. A foul Yambon Fentia Maya. Yefreno a Cameroon. A Kamia says second half set pieces Saudor be Brina El Quadiama the Black Queens of Ghana. A Kamia says second half. Niema enso etumi ekoya na sabaywa ye feno ye enka manga we frimu ema baywa je feno enkelo etumi atwaso de ma Cameroon free kick ye mon fentia ye Cameroon me hu se Porsche Boache Cameroon se Jordan ye mani bio baby abono de bia no mo se Porsche a chance comes in enso ye bono and the front tempo so bono say welcome throwing throwing here to Fentia Maya Jeffrey Cameroon tempaso Porsche watun tempaso and support about me and Cameroon one more acclamation bono and say bono aya pida wo aye Cameroon for share so a chance comes in and so Cameroon for no acclamation say throwing here to Fentia Maya Jeffrey aye Cameroon throwing Jetu Edia Maya Jeffrey Cameroon Wasti Madina at the message about Kenneth, good evening. Live from on top Brony Junction Madina, good work senior. And no a message at Wasti Madina. One also to me at the Abanti. Somebody there cooling break. And also to me at to Jati. Mami say second half Kim last and Mayana come here say money bono and so to me Abasro.
They say they have nothing to lose. They say that for my kabak when they Koban see a Puma. Well, you see 3 points. You hadn't seen women and as two more women up front. One searching for equalizer and clearly I know now open friends that came last. And since then, my man Atimaka sign a Uche Bona. I'm also to me and knock the doors of Cameroonians. And so I come here as on physical aspect of the game. The Cameroon for now, they know what's wrestling Black Queens, Mabano. Basen and America, a bono, a banana, Pion and one toucher. They'll keep on, running in the game. Wait till me find in the back of the net. And you know, came last year about the second half, and Sano. And I'm expecting so with me, through more women, up front, get me equalizer. And other than that, we have about 30 minutes to go, and now 20 minutes to go. And so, yeah, I'm going to be able to say, you may be giving me a true more women up front, equalizer.
And no, Bismarck, Kerusema, Bisse, Michael. Then I also came last year, HSC Beticano.
So far, so good. I think the second half, when like assistant information, and the girls are pushing harder to get an equalizer. I think a break crowd will maintain so to me actually 1 or 2 players. I think Kusi the age was so Jama. Once a game is so much, Jama said what break and then suddenly when it's the previous game now ultimately a control game and then suddenly when we game. I think a break crowd will maintain. I saw coach hit me as a son now or the fresh like a babe. I think Prince La our bench and Dubian so our bench. One of those girls let me have a Mabet game and we the gap between the attacking midfield more closing so much closing there. Then we can hold on to the ball. Because so long ball never strike and the Doris are or no count me engine about this. As now, I remember 8 me and who the expert of it. So coach me and yes, changes in my name. Ensure there are 20 minutes in me I will give me.
Jeff at 20 minutes I will give no and no so to me I'll call the Amanda Black Queens of Ghana. Bono and say a free kick here on Fentia then double table liners of fire Cameroon. A free kick Jepo Edia Cameroon. Abanywa Yefreno Grace Aya Bodua. Wono ene kosum the Cameroonian Abraiwa. Ono JC number 40 Monique Ngok. And so to me if she want to somebody a temporary order person say Mayo mienu nya gwa kopamane so ehwe se bibia so betumi aye kamari amomo 71 minutes played so far. The Blacks Queens of Ghana, they are down by long code to 0. Muse Apanyo ye freno at least aye kusi wabetana chen ama we no aye Prince La Mafo one also etimi abagain mo edema the Black Queens of Ghana into a tactical aye change from coach Kim Las or shade himself betimi nya the equalizer ni oba coach na bobema coach Kim Las ama Niniso aye tanta mane changes a wodra na unia eso to me or say the coach should bring in new players. Some are tired. Losing this game is not the best. And no Madi Beidou messenger. And they also to me edafa Facebook or and so it to me about me boy Madi Beidou no me unia stress no. It's yet to admit so bono and say Apanyo ye fena Josephine Bonsu tempaso we jemu edema bayo ye fena ye bedu na de bone probet mi akwana o jem back to Apanyo ye fena Josephine betimi akwana Josephine Bonsu to Apanyo ye fena Prince Lamanfo betimi akwana chance comes in Black Queens betimi akwana na so ahodi ente Cameroonian sama Lines Cameroon for no etimi aklam Lines tempaso bono say Ghana betimi akwana Prince Lamanfo Bakumi and side pass comes in a chance between Akwana and so a welcome throwing in to Fentia a throwing in to Fentia Manya Yefana Cameroon a throwing in to the Cameroon a throwing in to Fentia Cameroon Tempaso Bonsu what to bottom Tempaso want to say between Akwana and so Panyana Bonabona to me and say Emma Black Queens of Ghana bet me akwana watching my Ghana so Cameroonian fans and Clam Lines Okunimu ayatin them Black Queens of Ghana men coming and fanada Okunimu ayatin men coming and fanada Ha idea 106 DLFM. We've done almost about 74 minutes inside the second half. 74 minutes inside the second half. The Black Queens of Ghana, one more about 9 shots. Cameroon about 7 shots. Bono Atrashe throwing here to the Black Queens of Ghana. Throwing here to the Black Queens of Ghana. Sensia Nebekodia, the Black Queens of Ghana, after 2 games. One more 3 points. Plus additional 1 goal is and some first game. One more 8 to me, I share 2 goals. Emma be Piasso to me, I come out about the Black Queens of Ghana. Bono and say, throwing here to Fentia, the Black Queens of Ghana. Throwing here to the Black Queens of Ghana. Throwing Gentle Fentia, the Black Queens of Ghana. Bono and say, no say, Apaywa, Jefferson Prince Lana say, Portia Boache captain on the side, where Jemon Tempaso was Shabaywa, Jefferson, Weno Benedict Simon, and Sabola Bonetia Koma Bona Trash throwing, throwing Yantu Fentia, the Black Queens of Ghana, throwing Jatudi, the Black Queens of Ghana, DL106.9 FM. DL106.9 FM. DL106.9 FM. Okunimu Ayadin, the mother Black Queens of Ghana. Okunimu Ayadin coming and find out. We've done almost about 75 minutes. 75 minutes and I abo. We're adding a message about say, my name is Monju Jimanwa from Accra. Ablekuma, I'm listening to you live. You know, Monju Jimanwa all the way from Accra. Ablekuma. The message on also edify Facebook ever Kwame Ofori. I'm not full answer the message about see. We know emojis and Kwame. And so it to me edify on Facebook. It's my message, you know, Emma Kana better can say. say and a scoreline over to me I gentle adjumedian so Prince Lamafo we bet me akwana na say man kwan ahode de Prince La yesu na bo ma referee watch for your mom fentia Cameroon. It was a nice interception from Abayo friend Prince La and ning wo share quality a Ghana ewo bencha e jode results as one of the Black Queens of Ghana and so most referee but overturning that decision earlier on. It's a name buffet here the Black Queens of Ghana. A prior friend Eto so with me I'm from Bonanko Ghana clamorize back to Cameroon. Cameroon for anybody in poverty me akwana. There's Bono and say Black Queens of Ghana. Throwing in to Fentia Ghana. Throwing in to Fentia Ghana. High DL106.9 FM. DL106.9 FM. And then Ghana for Nina Yachigro as I say. Okonimu idea Tindama Ghana. Yachigro papa men coming and fanadao. Osha Kwanya Cameroon for no idea Faswa. Yachigro bruta Michael. And I will say Yachigro.
Like second half about game ni dodo na but chance na hit me Enquiries and that's one idea team
a chance a goal Black Queens of Ghana a goal. It was a fantastic goal. It was a fantastic goal from Abayo Yefero Bedu. That was a fantastic goal. Look at the goal. Look at the goal. Look at that from Simpson. Look at that pass and look at that goal. Abayo no Erulino onside. Man be say hard dream. Man be say hard dream coming out. Michael, look at the goal.
Yeah, I think that was a striker's goal. I think the change that coach here na a yearly result and I think that we have more time to get a winning goal. It's not American no say midfield no na gap name so I think that Siama closely can try when they continue to play like this. That was a very beautiful goal. We shall pass now. It will feel midfield nearby now. It clearly shows they are determined to get the equalizer for this game and they have really done that. They actually say everything after a so any winning goal in their Maya.
It was a nice goal from Ayabaywa. Next ever. And go no you bet me check here sir. And I think this goal no offside because Cameroonians for the player and the last touch of the ball or playing onside. Onside so opponent in the last touch and no onside. I think say go no checking goal is allowed. Mami say
it depends on intentions on the last touch. What does it? And also I'm put that thing into consideration. But the infant cheers from Kuma Sam J.
Sam J.
Mr. Samohina.
Mr. Samohina for
Omufri baby no more coffee. I'm a Biomokama. I'm on the Tajuma and I'm also Timesi for my boys and boys. We say Sunday Pempina, not Leguano. A Gianna in some what Papa,
not Leguan Ghana. Nipadona Tanya Biani Sunday, our Monty.
Wawarian Casanco. Maybe I'll do channel. You know what? Okocha, own Tiso Okocha, this uncommon. Anna,
most Sunday, the Anisha Nucrum. I will fear the Anin will fear Nucrum. I'm not saying, Wawarian Casanco. What does it?
Sunday, the Paduna will fear to be a and will fear. Where's our quabbon to sell Coturia? And maybe I just said, why will my wife feel say,
my friend to just a gola, my bio friend Beducheno, and the referee, I can't go until go no, my offside. Still Cameroon 1, Ghana 0. That was a decision I buy. Now by Rano offside. Mami say
for the benefit of Oma Amunche game no mutate commentary. Now say radio to commentary minute by minute. The to jog
breaking it down.
Ye count for me. Before say Baba and air block kick na ma boduno. Now what the offside position with that.
Yes.
So I know now Mujina so I'm really going to say offside. ntimi anyi say na America ne Nhyiraba Sammy Mrs. Anase Mama Julie
ene
nikura Mr. Samuel afo oma bi mo mo kama nyu mo madita dwuma de nti yanchi omo na ye na o masen so
yes
say omo boa
omo si form me mu say afiba ni ma ye sere sa
form ni dey I cream
pa
some days you see form na form
na sase wo so why so sono no enti gola the Black Queens of Ghana SNA referee what me are calling going off and it's still Cameroon 1, Ghana 0. We've done about almost 82 minutes. 82 minutes. And Jabo and so it was a big game and also it me Toja Mubarak Ajamba. Any message I was the best wishes to the Queens. Watching you live from Aya Boko all the way from Aya Boko Yanchana Penifoma be Biaso and to me Enya Kama and so Ewa Bokona be Biaso and to me Enya Kama. And team Penifo more Bokudi Enra and name in an out time video so o share speech and ne schoolboy be a jegu opana and who be here say and asumje and split to me apa Boko and important na yemianoma and ne omoko school e was San Chronosono the Piaso to me I come on team Mubarak Yenchia all the way from a Boko messenger and ne on also edifio edibuy oh slow we know a brana Ghana yetumi etika ne coach referee yetumi akanso eyesa gono enso anafo Hilda enso etumi edebosi happy birthday bra Kenneth age with more blessings and long life and prosperity eno Hilda anafo messenger ni onoso etumi edefa Facebook Hilda yedase so etumi edisa message no enso etumi aba yanko YouTube ni enhwe message no na yentumi enti YouTube message bi enso efro na bibia so etumi enye kama we e dey about say Ghana we message YouTube and also etumi about say Ghana and no bra go no enso etumi eba ya ne referee enso eruli no offer ne yentumi anjisa go no Mubarak asane about say amen big bro no Mubarak message and also every Boko and so etumi eba yanto agmedi so 83 minutes and ayabo bono e finfia femu Kamia says second half Ghana ball ni nyina and so Alaji Grusa be say go and ayahwehwe nei ho aye din the Black Queens of Ghana bono throwing into Fentia Cameroon abanyo Chantal boy watwe mu dia ma abanyo ayefe no Benedict Simon yesuna boma referee wajefoul free kick yamon Fentia. Then double liners of Cameroon. Benedict Simon. Wabobo papa men kame and Fernando. Wabobo nenyumre Naomi Eto. Name unse okwalese nyin free moizanse unia bre men kame now. Ball 90 minutes there na for mo. Ne de ekopie mu ewo England a. Almost ya ball 1 minute kura na ye wesi ya bebo ahyem tie nei. Ye baba bono pepe free kick. Jemon Fentia Cameroon Grace Asantua Jinabone Chediman Ghana. Grace Asantua betimi akwana Grace. For mine concron Ghana. A chance comes in Grace betimi akwana free kick. Peja one on tempo so on and so. A corner kick Jemon Fentia Maya. Jeffreno Cameroon. My greetings to everyone and I hear that message. And also to me Ediaba corner kick. Jemon Fentia Cameroon Tempaso. A corner kick me say Grace Asantua Jinabone Cherry Mother Black Queens of Ghana. Grace over to me Akwana. A chance comes in corner net me Abemo 3 corners of Cameroon. One more acclamalize in Tempaso. A counter break for Cameroon. Obia so anyone bono a throwing into Fentia the Black Queens of Ghana. A throwing in to Fentia the Black Queens of Ghana 85 minutes. Akasimano enum and a face to the referee. On also bet to me earlier 2 games so now ya book to Medino and so to me every who say Cameroonians or more tactical changes is and say player number 10 Naomi Eto Efim Emma Grace Mato and so Efim 9 and 10 one more every game more and so the Maya Jeffreno Cameroon no Naomi Eto and I'm face to Grace Mendo Womunyina every game no Emma Maywa Apanyo no ye frɛ no no abeje captain abo Onjin etumi abemu ariama eye Cameroon Saso and Abayo ye frɛ no no eye Sporting Chelsea number 7 and also etumi abagain mu enso ariama eye the Cameroonians bono and say Ghana finfian femu anisa Cameroon for na de bone e bamo e per second goal to seal the victory. Betumi akwana Apanyo tumi ajamona fine Maria with Jemun Tempas with Jememo June and Sabon say Cameroon for the bone but Lucy possession Ghana counter betumi akwana Apanyo FN Bedu Nes Bono Atrashe Bono ye throw in ye to Fentia Cameroon throw in ye to Fentia Cameroon Akasimano miensa and after the referee one also betumi area to game ni so men coming and fanada Akasimano miensana face the referee one also area to game ni so throwing in to fenti amai konkron Ghana Jatobo non tempa so fifian femo Abayo fan Chantal boy and so Lucy possession among Cameroonians Bono and Sebona trash throwing throwing in to fenti amaya Jeffreno Cameroon Tempaso na se foul this time around the body etia maya Jeffreno Cameroon me say Shannon so say 8 p.m. Dia game bako enso betumi atotwa Shannon so say Mali be body etia maya Jeffreno Capo Verde and say Cape Verde I say no game at 8 p.m. and no betumi atotwa Prince Lamafo we peja bona system na so Prince La bono bono tumi akoma we suna boma referee waje foul Jebo Edietia Amai Konkron Ghana Princess rather Princess Oko suma ba yo abako ehwe ho amane referee Monique Ngok wono ana Princess eko sumo ehwe ma referee waje foul Justice Aloga Osi scores Justice Ghana da from Ekabakwa Omo entumi enti why enti Cameroon 1 Ghana 0 no message and also every YouTuber and so entumi but go Ghana since we started attacking Cameroon hasn't been able to add another goal and no message at Charles Akuso and so every YouTuber and so entumi but and minute Charles ya and say second half ye buy attack na ne ye di room na kamia say Cameroon for national Enquiries chance bia and so addition say Prince La Edubia and so aba gain mo and so the amount the Black Queens of Ghana we be Cynthia Kujo and I face so chance come na so na face abaywa we know and so Portia yes and also to me if you give me the amount the Black Queens of Ghana Michael I think the coach delay some changes to me but Prince La Dubia a fantastic striker Michael.
Yeah, I think coach na or just a girls bet me I equalize and also second half year they have been playing very well we should have some better start players maybe now because they were doing very well. I think one or two changes be and as a start game so no just anka or met me equalize before waiting the other players have been and I think it didn't work for him. It's too late for changes now but football is a referee point now anything can happen so I think my baby they can throw something at the Cameroonians and I say when you equalize at least now I share points in this game lose for us is not nice so I think it's a coach in your bay why and girls now might me I disappoint here.
And coach came last day the Bema Bayana ne one also to me I say and ne what try tactics be a was as we soon come here say and from my coach no bono goalkeeper upon your friend Cynthia Kulan with P and Tempa Sabesobono or Pejabona Sisene so there was nobody in particular for the Black Queens of Ghana bono foul your body the Black Queens of Ghana a foul your Monfintia the Black Queens of Ghana. We've done almost all about and I said 90 minutes. 90 minutes of soccer fiesta and about coach and I said referee or the Sima and son 7 minutes. Look at Morocco and I'm Mujania Kosbeni. Morocco Kruno emu ofe papa men coming down. Ekruno mu efe papa men coming enfana down. Ne omuko du eye Spain. Omo chire come wawaro. So man hwe entwi omani ansan chire mu kroma. Ahwa na di etumi ayomo anso oye. Obi man so akwantu mu de anya izo. Enti ne nipa almost about a year 5,000 there. Omo san so mu nchi abo mu krom Morocco. Mami say yes, we say Uniano are busy. Coming out. Michael, 90 minutes plus 7 minutes. Moshe GD Wɔhɔ.
I say football and so like say referee point there anything can happen. Scoring the goal is just a second. Say Moshe pressure now girls now they took a mirror for this one. I think we can get an equalizer. Say more pressure now no here there. So referee point there is still hope. It me at the cano. And all it takes is to take care chances. Now it's me at me anya sago. So I hope they still and to say referee member final rest anything can happen in the game of football.
Anything surely can happen. And then Sanse return almost about 3 minutes. Additional time and referee. One also added to game. So free kick comes in for Black Queens. The 3 QMC Panya so Cameroonians. One thing I bought Cameroon for them NSA in terms of almost stage almost so soon papa. And the Bono F.S. Rodia. Omo eta winning Bono against the Black Queens of Ghana. Bono and say upon your friend Josephine Bonsu with Jemu Tempa so they ma by your friend Bedu anybody Robert Miakwana Bedu Nes Bono Bonnet Miakoma Cameroon was a winning possession a chance comes in and so Bono ya pede Nes Mungse referee wa call it for infringement. Esan say Abaywa ye feno aye Bedu edago pamane so look at that tackle from Abaywa. Jefeno aye Nkong, Monique Nkong. Look at that tackle. On Abaywa Jefeno aye Bedu. Into ne referee wa Jefa ye mo fentia Cameroon. 90 minutes plus 7 minutes. Japomu aye 3 minutes anisa. 90 plus 7 minutes. Japomu 3 minutes anisa. Chance comes in for the Black Queens of Ghana and so Bono atrashe corner kick. Aye corner kick yamon fentia aye Cameroon. Aye corner kick yamon fentia Cameroon. Ghana there a ban last minute pressure there in the a ban last minute see for pressure and see so there. Yeah the best was on the chance ya kwasa sa. Ne pressure and Ghana. Pressure and Ghana ADC Cameroonians for so a chance comes in and so Cameroon for a more Hinemin coming and find out a welcome goal kick. A welcome goal kick. A welcome goal kick here on Fentia the Black Queens of Ghana. A welcome goal kick. Jabodi the Black Queens of Ghana. Waxy Emmanuel, I say, let's go, the Black Queens. No a message at Waxy Emmanuel and Sodify YouTube at the buyer. Teresa Edward Abossi, oh Ghana. I know Teresa messenger. And ne also to me at the buyer. My greetings to everyone. And no Anna for Hilda messenger. And ne also to me at the buyer. Asemo Ghana. Yes, and also a Monju Emmanuel messenger. And also to me at the fountain and Cherefino. Ever to me as an Apemo Emma Jumediano. And also to me Abanaway Simons and Suma Refi. Moretos and I can say a Bomunsia Nisa. And Chereffi. But me as an Ampono a throwing in to Fentia the Black Queens of Ghana. A throwing in to Fentia the Black Queens of Ghana. Bono and say Refino wa breakfast in players in men Canada. Refino nyakwa pom game no krama. Obia pen baby and so to me first and say o share refi de we are hot so na. I'm sure 7 minutes no as one ba kokura metoso. Obetumi upon game no yan to Ajimedian so Josephine. Obetumi akwana Josephine for Ghana. Josephine watching marker Josephine. O man 10 pass o peja bana system na so bora bora tumi akoma Cameroon. There was a delay from about your friend Josephine. O delay bono. Oh referee. Referee wa bre. Mami ze referee anga sa bre. Americano anu ade ma referee. No. We dey foul. So I could say na e be check. She's not being fair to Black Queen. No. I could say na.
And I don't know why Omuntimi protest. Omuntimi kwan. And I referee French no can into Omuntimi Kadian.
Okay English. So say this FIFA dey about say we referee new language we use no English. And no matter to my Obia the English now beka.
Boy I don't know what me farmer etia Ghana.
Baby girl no. Cameroon for money abre. Papa.
And almost touch na.
Almost so wa papa. Say Cameroon dey almost by Nigeria until most of Nigerians no trade one Cameroon. Free kick here mon fenti the Black Queens of Ghana. Mehun Sabajwa ye freno Maria Inga. Ujina Bonechi Edema Cameroon. I think this can be the last kick of the game. It could surely be the last kick of the game. And surely referee Waponabe Eddie Jumediania Banawe at the end of 90 minutes plus additional 7 minutes. Then double liners of Cameroon defeated the Black Queens of Ghana by a lone goal to 0. Ketsi Abaywa Jefena Manga Ingai or no any border penalty. And so added to Atinemu Adema then double liners of Cameroon. So after 90 minutes of soccer fiesta, the Black Queens of Ghana they lost to the double liners of Cameroon.
Yeah, me na so nang sumanta from. I love you. My family na mamma from. Yeah, me na know me dance from. Me na know it ya te dom. 4 years ago na me emu kom. Yeah, black, me dancing you.
So after 90 minutes of soccer fiesta, the Black Queens of Ghana couldn't hold on to their winning streak. One more elusive game no, and so they made in double liners of Cameroon. And Tiene Ugo share Group D. Cameroon for already qualify. More it was 6 points. Ghana etos mienu but you train the game against Omaya, your friend Mali in our face Omaya. Your friend Capo Verde. Omo mienu Obia and so any point and for now there. Ghana etos mienu 3 points. The last game no answer to me Atoja. Shannon Susebe to draw and simultaneously and Tuesday and I say Wednesday and I say game no answer to me Atoja. My man Kwabeja for I mean called Germano the same. Yes, I'm saying 90 minutes in your banner. Young one quick near to me and sorry so. Now be biaso into me and ya come on. My man call Michael. 90 minutes in your to me Abanaway.
90 minutes love it's unfortunate say Black Queens say no mean to me win and farmer and I think say yeah so my idea it's rather unfortunate say it's happening at in there outside it's happening at in there by Cameroon for answer that am bobo ni biasa and they didn't create any chance na biasa so girls in the my idea what we need to do is we need to take our chances say yeah bobo na you could do anymore na your decision making no very poor. It me emfa anya bibia body dey ebo and you could do board say so bobo na at the end of the 90 minutes you go and say who could do opponents 18 muna say untimi make use of with chances now then you should know say when they get their chance they will punish you and I think say that's what happened to the Black Queens today and your midfield no going to the next game they really need to work hard now almost stress gap between the midfield and attack.
Na my go who say Ghana born ye bie mu boy ya ka Cameroon for mutumi say.
The people say born there ye boy ye ball possession ye ball 59% Cameroon for the ball 41%. So it tells you say ye ball no but na send na ye ball na boy because we are trying to rely on long passes. And a long passes na Cameroon for no ma no we are very physical and yeah girls no mo shada nya honey. So when you play those long balls now a bad thing for the striker say obetimi hold on to the ball the ball e kwa normal headed their bar. So we are not getting passes now obetimi am ya goal. So we are just ballooning the ball and it was not helping the team. And that's one thing I say coach no otimi share because long balls need say any Cape Verde no na so ma hold no shada nya physical biasa. So you can rely on the long ball but against Cameroon you need to put the ball on the ground so that you can play say edu baby any ball na to form no we were able to play more passes and yet me create 1 or 2 chances yet me share go referee really in the offside. So going to our next game against Mali, that's another physical side yes I could show when we go into that game with long passes na in the boy now I think say boy so they need to go back to the drawing board and work on almost clean and I think say in our next game we can get the results from there. I bet me might qualify.
Eno Michael Sel coach era wotin kan enso e wo hono anti mame nkoma mbisi wona men jema mbisi de so quick ne enko Ghana for ne yen wrap up na yen fa dwumedie no enfansi man mbisi the da question ani between the Black Queens of Ghana LOC game no enso de ma Cameroon going into our next game then coach came last against Mali so side in terms of physique no ebiso etumi o ti mami se mami ti o
Ken game number na we and there's this fantastic baby girl Abuani Selina oya nwaso jujuma de bia say you commend na ebo na baso ne support and pimping no true ba no so ani panti ye mo na baso say nei Abuani Selina
ano owen
oh the later
baby girl president today baby girls no man location no
David say bia obeti mesi chire
David
I don't want to see you na your friend meet your baby girl to me ma and Mr. later Dubai no Dubai there oh kwanwa to me the
no ye amononi ana
international blogger there
bebia Puerto Rico nyina yetumi urewura Puerto Rico nyina yetumi urewura what da Puerto Rico
yentua enti game na abawi no yambo amaba na baso nze omokonkoden but you can't take anything away from the Cameroonians because from the blast of his social who they started game and one of team here anyway I'm sure that I'm more boss from Kubians and Black Queens team no but the only thing and I said the only thing that make a difference on the field of play physicality na Cameroonians no as a man who was wrestling Black Queens mabano and Black Queen mabano I think the oman team and take your chances so sure baba friends say Doris Bodua and the chance be unyaya any otimi boma goalkeeper chi sounds on a second half is any opportunity back but dubo bi ono sunyaya okobono I mean fibo one goalkeeper and so to me so yamo mabaso 2 games 1 win 1 loss there I think group is still open nse you may final run of games in so be toja Malawi and I say that of Mali and Cabo Verde in Sunebo and that game no I think Mali to win against Cabo Verde Ekobaza Cameroon benya 6 Ghana benya 6 na fe se kobanse Mali win is na make na so Dabi Ghana benya 3 na Mali so nya
Cameroon they already qualify with that 6 point in until you train game against Cape Verde
and Mali in the Gobanze that game no cry drink e be boy
draw you still have to wait for your final game
and America say be boy second position there yeah
so when you 2 people
yes now for your final round of game against my friends Mali no ma kocha am so and then na Michael can Mali so another side omo so ho aden o ti ase nti say open your friends coming last and they manfa Cameroon game no enye yastic now going to the final round of games or group stage in how obe approach game no yamo girls na ba so esan say I'm don me ya no mo ye no nze ka na make Cameroon for na some performance na she dey need to be and sing Ghana girls no but ahoɔden na team the BT here omunya one goal na so team sit back defend here. So going forward in the next game they don't have anything to lose than to win. Say na be team aboa na advance and I say progress to the next stage of the competition. And Kim last and so din come say way back 2007 being the last time Ghana 18 nya kopi mo World Cup national. He's hoping say this time around guy man be team kopi me semi final na team automatic qualification akọ World Cup ni. So if Zana and say no na this wadi hunu and say na ni wadi hunu dia going to that particular game against Mali Nidia, I think that they need to visit the drawing board. They need to go and do what didn't go well, what the things that are working in perfection in this particular crucial encounter against Cameroon. So the final game, the bet me how a better approach game near to me every weekend. And minimum say sorry to solve a callers.
Yeah, 5 1 or 2 B.
Nah, they say some jersey for so be found 1 me out there.
Yencha 1 me.
Ube found
a higher crown.
Otio
1 me.
See one here now.
That's what she said, man.
You come and dinner say one here now. My count to gitaka.
And this is what you said. One me
no so ba be diden. Me kan.
Untumi kan. Mike go be diden.
Yes ka kum ya jini kokuo num. Mike go be diden.
Mike go be diden.
Say ka so organizer enye.
Organizer. O say
o say uni wani mayadi.
Brand ambassador.
Yeah, una brand ambassador.
Get me kan say.
Ebia, ye fan say ebia.
Ene mambisa.
Anti yanko Ghana for game na ba na we na yemfa 1 or 2 ye callers na yentumi enrap your sense yemre no so etumi ekopa anti mame fire mbra. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening.
Open the case mpacha onyame adom na so.
Bra kwa me dodo a.
Bra kwa me mpacha enti o.
O te bo na bo no. Ya o se bo ni ye pa. O se Ghana ma na ma ya de o. Because ko for na bo hode na bo so wa.
Pa.
Ana bo na bo se lucky. Ana munya ma ye pere ba ko bo na tanka. De dia ka ba ko bo na ta. So me dinya paneti. E ta dia ka bo na dia ka yo bo draw.
Pa.
Mani o ye bo ba to.
Yes.
O ma ya de. Why?
Oh yo mate. Bra kwa me. Yes, enti bra kwa me de. And no so edi fa ho e ba enti ubetimi aba 05340 50 1905340 50 199 afesu 059340 6565 059340 6565. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Opening case empacho di ni senaka za free.
Mr. Sakodi ni.
Sakodi empacho enti o.
Say Ghana Black Queen so my yard. Ese e ball ma ba so pa. Ne momu no omunyiro mu a ombenya baby edu. And number 2 na mo ka say Ghana Black Queens ekobo matcha. Obia ni wa penny bia ni wa omudi Ghana Black Queens echi. Obia ni otu Lumba Black Queens. Black Queens koba sika kwa de be mo kra no ye de omba be gu hotel for so many months and then scared be ma ye de ama and so Black Star and so na Black Star be fi ha akodu baby omba kokobobo na sika twitwidi ene akukuru di ama and so sutem bia Black Queens kwa disika be fi nti yempeni for no omo anhwe yie as sanie mem no mu ja Black Queens as ajeje mo
Mr. Zakwade, want a quick mpacho na mati yemfa. Hello, good evening. Also to me engine asunti yemfa 2 callers na yemfa jumedi no and say hello, good evening.
Honorable
senior man.
Yes sir.
Me ba chodi ni senanga safri.
Okay, Edini Ike now all the way from Savannah region.
Oh, Mr. Ike Bole yentio.
Yes sir. Boss mpacho me question ba ko premunte mo de mo sports side. If I told you, I'm petty me, so maybe Ghana as a whole, no, appointed coaches. Yes, apart from 70 minutes going to 8 and no more changes and as almost the car.
The view. I can't Ghana coaches no papa. Because Otuado to me, 8 minutes as no changes.
Just say, who say Ghana, a captain defender. One say Presley and so by no, but ye be won't feel. Sankawo player, we not call the press labor and film and tema. Obet me distribute T-boss yama a strike. No way to my be doing so buy a game need change totally.
Papa.
Oh dear, mammy fancy. Mate,
Mate, Yana, yeah, farmer. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Big boss Benjamin Sakani.
I am from the team from Kansas Bodaka.
I'm batching you.
That is my idea. My idea, but my idea. Bye-bye.
Mate, bye. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, boss.
Big boss, Pachodini Sena Kasafrin.
Pastor Blessed,
Blessed, ain't you?
Boss, maybe they will say girls no matter how because social one on one, I know when you tell me so many niggas. Very unfortunately, say, when I see the end, they are Friday after, I'm paying community equalizer. And you're very strong words, next game is not in at least, not 3 points, no one will qualify. I'm up on what I'm
Mpacho, Yanasi, Seldo, dear. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Oh, yeah, my last but one call, Pachodini Sena Kasafrin. Me bacho ma oni so kakama why.
I say the Catholic Casua.
Bacho ain't you.
When we send here Obia no. Oh, the black and India need a Chianco.
Yeah.
I president to brought no ban and need a Chianco. I said the service of you. I conform the Cordia. For me, that is your much.
Me bacho amon say be amon nya kronfo until they o dey can say be a Black Stars na kwa why.
Last time, there is one of questions in the one. One, some big commercial. Now, when you get radio station, you have a Muna commentary.
Sir,
that's right, meaning the city, Muna commentary.
Yeah, they are basebe soon. Why?
Yeah, the way or mine.
Yes, sir. Yeah, that's so do dear. And so, Eddie Few Eba. Yeah, hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Me bacho wana me sakani.
Kana tupate Nevis Kaswa.
Anti me Kaswa yentio.
Bacho Black Queens oma ya de wai.
Oma ya de.
Me shana me sie. Oma ya de papa oma bobo. Ya me shawo. Ya nipa be ya no ma ye no.
Sa pepe.
So me to asute de anya me aduma ye beko ye nim.
Amen.
Ozo ma ya de nya me shawo wai.
Yo, yes say dem ase. Say abena benyina. Munya memre etumi etie enti I think say yemfa course ni si esanso yemre no so etumi ayebe ma me call Michael na me the final thought na me call man bi se wona yen wrap up Michael ye kwa
Ken ye ko ni de yemfa se dan fama etie for ni ahwe for mo share on Facebook ni YouTube so omo ni ho aye ni ho e do ma se bia etna se a omo so omo tumi e dey support ni e mai na me chia Samje esi former my boys ama boys eni age o she international DJ ni mo ase a sire enkwa Samje die
we abroche ko ba ku bi
abroche ko bi abemu
enti ye hwe se betumi afa uma de fiwa
yeah
uma
Naam, hello,
good evening uma bibi aboko de
Pache
game na ba na we yo Black Queen Lucy
my idea, I want to say Black Queens today, already idea, and to me, support home, and see, I will show more better like, next game, mobile bonnet, which is a mobile baby frame. But, I say, Black Queens, almost boy, and yes, mom, I say, sometimes the players in some mobile boy, say, there, yes, support home, Emma, almost page ni so a almost me ya de ba ase obi anfo mo hu ase ye mba no mo nhye da mfa ya hu sai ye nim de ntia aren
ye be sujegum ma this time around there ye ma mema no ya ye bia mama no say ya na ma no as what men can do women can do better
women can do better aiwa you know mo nhye Bismarck.
Oh, ha, Bismarck. What is Bismarck? Bismarck and Bismarck can see me actually.
Sister Uma.
Bismarck.
Pacho bibia boko.
Pache, ma fimu.
Yansu ya fimu.
Na one amita tiwonka morning show no.
Oh, okay. Neno de ye me ho ya pa na mesi eno ye dwumadie sonku chenchire nchebi ya nte wonka uma eno no ye bizi ana
nra tam na mu ye on se ase mu ye show no anopa na se wi sa tam na me sorry ya na me se no mo ye show
uma next time ye me ma notification why And Junior Bema, I Kofi Ken official birthday, and Yasam Kitwakra. Yakwanyina some can say Manti Mr. Umanka, Manti Mr. Umanka, numbers me Ukraine di tuja, sa no kasa.
Okay, Manti. I made them bonnet for betting me, Kawaii.
Auntie, oh, yeah, no, you tell us, and why would I tell us? Because I come to and one idea.
Eti woman yeda say abreni na yetenasia
ana kofi ban is uben simple man na what me abon
so we WhatsApp ha
okay
WhatsApp
say woman beti kofi ken kan why
ye be send WhatsApp ama no no ehu
na men kan
ye na say abreni na yetenasia
Yamanu konsusu ama wanom ya hunu konsusu ama zigi anum ti oyoke why zigi di ende oyoke why
okay
bye yiti eno so umadia yes or heavy papa
this is no him free me na yanka kan for him
can you tell me you
anybody yanzu ni
who the woman want dance oh the woman want dance ka or any papa
akwanti mo won nyina say baby ba ko penalty DLFM say oni adwuma m no ofie dia nze amanane no empempi na free wifi o I'm to data to say the akakre bi na amount 80% you've used 80% na wakuma won sunu bidam I don't know say omo hwe na omo ya free wifi
Sam George was so share na Ghana hanu se na unyu sukura say
omo yan hye bi say bia baby aye adwuma na like there should be something ebe free wifi na busum ya Ghana na etua
send na I say o sa bridge no o ma esa shiri na nti be bia o be fa bia
system
wifi we no answer o be connect
how dey yan crofo yellow yi dey unim say we ya midnight kwampa ahomachi 12 no o mo nti midnight o we na nkasa nsan ya o mo ni tell yan crofo yellow ni dey o mo ti o
o mo ti fam omu refi say midnight no wo ho
and unim sometimes me chere timi doom me the two airplane mode me say you say na be o mbeka say you do midnight but still the bet no match you've used 80%
kokofo ne dey am say omo dey no mo ya de kakra kokofo ne dey omo no mo chire mu say we midnight dey we normal
we be midnight
omo timi chire o say wa chire omo dey rim yellow fo ne dey omo no mo nchire mu kura
akukọ say dey
omo tu fat omo tu fra
omo dey no ne board pa o to ya na esa
ayen entere bia honorable Sam George
omo nya hu bibi
na
wifi yi wo ho na slow so na ye kem say data ho sensem student won say ye nuanu mu ye student ikura na amu pe data ne internet dia isuan de ne ade but e ba ne sa na enkoye
student there masa ebe wi echi no me de hwe ne ma ne ma
masa isuan de okwa campus awodra na say no on say classes in bebe na online
wa say me te say na o man peni say only free wifi ko secondary schools ni
enye na nsia nso na me te say
this time around ya mo tablet
yes tablet no kura masa enye mo de hwe
tablet na chedi
na we no on say ka say your system bia tablet ntumi log in wankasa we bia wo personal bibia fa de sua na ka bia wo betumi na sia me call school year wo we adenta we enkwale kita na TikTok ni hwan na o mo de twisoroku wo nti ye say nhye tumi ba na yetumi hwema ye student no na nyama eso etumi ye de ekoye nti
mami uma de oye heavy
papa
yanda na sepa
oye
oye good sister and you hope say anytime bi obeba Ghana bia no ye be special invitation
yes
be man na ye ne na be din say e bia one Saturday extensive sports show no ye ni uma ba be trans na watimi ne ye din komo ne ye ne be sports show ni ti we na special invitation akwenya di ma
we no aka ho de na wi ana me san ko me ko mai ko mbra
ma wi me de
no anti ka fra bra ko na yes sorry so yes
asa no maka krampo wi game no de no na
we no ye final ye wrap up
ye na obi ase say ye trans bia mo
ye cha be ma yaw
ye
cha be ma yaw fantastic
Miss Rita
so tema ye
cha ana mi la juice
la juice collection
na ye we no mo bia ntia say ope bia papa matadi pa dia la juice
on say ye wo tailor say no this ka kan ye no ye wo tailor ɛne yɛwɔ yɛadeɛ ɛne yɛwɔ fashion designer nti La Jones deɛ no deɛ fashion designer
tailors na omo wode wo material kwa omo mpam
ɔsi matwitwa wo si ɔsi matwitwa wonya du akura ɔsi yɛdum light ɔsi La Jones deɛ no
ɔsi sɛ no evident
no mimi ni mu pa ɔsi mempɛsɛ ahayɛ kwan
ɛkwan deɛ de bia ayɛ kwan international nkasa brɔbɛ no wo bi da
international ɔsi peace bebre a ɔde sie
ahayɛ kwan ɔsi ɛyɛ na edwuma no obi wɔ hɔ a ɔde ne deɛ ba ɔpɛ ntɛm agye akɔ enti wohwɛ sɛ bisika na nipa no de baeɛ na ɔsɛ bi wɔ ɛyɛ express ebi yɛ express
sika ntina ma mutimi bubu abi mu de agu an
ɛnyɛ sika no ɔno obi wɔ so a ɛyɛ obiode ɛyɛ connection because obi a ɔde aba no wangye a ɔde kɔ a welusu yɛ customer base nti wo sɛ obi a nipa obi a wo de ma bi say de wo yɛ padi
sɛ na anim hare ɛntina me pa madam fofa no
tell her for one people san hwe yi a yakopon ba heaven be dia
mimi ni obi a tell ni ama na sunda
da
na nipa no kwa yi fro pa ana
me hwe video bi a obi di kotokuro onim kotokuro sika nkese ndi ade do no ekogina nza masa pam na me because wanya ni za pam eti La Jones dia ne dia ne ntisa o fashion designer ene yenye ema dia nkwan so no opam ma ne mema nyina ana we young lady young boy na we so person
adwuma ehu hia na o ka adwuma ho asemi o se enche pram fast food culture no enso betumi ade atodwa ni nya ye omoho na eden etodwa ewo ye crime pumpuni mantem na o kan vocation ho sensemi o se on the 16th no ayade a vocational training no kona kosua adwuma say La Jones pamade say kwa no mbetumi ache wadwuma say na ye
and za pram dey say me sure say be quick one because I'm ready why because 3 years so go so I'm liquid soap be how to bake on za and yamanema na ye very quick we betumi sua in the I mean possible short space of time no and I'm sure some be so edru one so edru a ye nyina be kona fi
e ko akosan bibi me de yogurt na me pese mesua on say omo ye yogurt ni seminar ni ade no
liquid soap
munim da ho kire be ba bibia no tumi de dey etumi di fame
on say ejumasian so de ya pa say ejumasian ade ba ko a obi antimi jin fi wusi enya fi na be ka say ne ama osakletter ye pa mu
ana one thing na me pekran say who wants an juma enya fi na akọ application akọ ba bia
on say
ana me fa me check up say bia dabi
fa me say sebe ya hana yembu skilled sebe yembu skilled workers o call other part of the world omo ye very important to the economy say skilled workers omo de omo nsa no ye adwuma abroche no sebe
omo no kita oman no omo no kita oman no what I say omo no kita oman no
yeah o ko sebe o ko abroche a ye respect farmer pa e wo ho but ahei enne nkwale ye omo graduation na ye kese omo adwuma be no be ya aya hwe be bia ya na ekọ wo hu bia wa fa kotokuro so be onyo be farmer da
dabi
ye hu bi wa anye police ana nurse ene soldier teacher kura
ma me fo na nkasa nso timi gase me bai de obe doctor obe ese
obe lawyer
ebi akola no nso onyin ka mechanic bi na wo na ni so what I say
ye come talent ni she
for na na si otinti ye ncha for na so one fantastic ardent listener so ni akra na nse okopie mu obo ase nyina no otimi se internet ne so mpempi na wadwa ni show nti ye ncha for na
ma me say ye face ye mre no koye papa nti Michael wrap up na
na migusu kana me say ye nda samji asese we see farmer boys na bibia akoya mai na yense ncha be ma ya onso be ma ya so ye heavy pa be ma ya okodu ni honu ma be biem ku ha obi o street ni ne dia ti onu dia okodu ni honu ma obi a etie DLFM ti enfa ncha kese so enfa ma be ma ya onso
na ba na dem ni so afu people ne dia
on the weekends aba be ma ya dia ono no
o se go di ni birthday sport bi o se okobe be ma ya okobe endi be ma ya bi
Antibuza for her any other Jumedian and Subetumi, as you to me can Kenneth out from Kofiken official, and I said international blogger Oti Bismarck, Eduse man be saying Kasasana, Michael said Okocha, Wotinka, and so Ewo Jumedi Sasana, DJ Fiba, or also Eddie Eko, Facebook, Chin Fidian Fuma, Emma be Piasso, to me, a Kamanti, a town of poverty Bismarck, Eduse and so Ewo Nida Somo Bia, shown us on bra. wɔno atena se de agodi mu nsɛm coach ni kobre manyina no ɔno so betumi e de apel e wo dwumere ti ebusafo anwum ni sine wante anka bi ma yakra mo bye bye